Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Wiz Khalifa. I'm out here with the Bodega Boys. We smoking on some Khalifa Kush. These niggas are Hollywood now. They're with me right now. We're buying tight pants online.
Fuck Wiz Khalifa!
Oh, shit. Yo, Popcorn, man. Why you so disrespectful? Yo, dog, listen, man. This episode like 46, man. Like, these dudes are doing it, man. This is like real art. Yo, y'all want some weed? Yo, here. Yo, look. Hey. Where am I? Do the drop?
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Episode 46.
Son, I'm extremely smacked.
It's the Bodega Boys in the building.
Wow.
In the building.
Yo, we out here, nigga.
The world's most dangerous broadcast.
That's
most
right.
dangerous podcast.
That's right.
We're in the Octagon.
We out here.
You don't see it? I have on those the MMA gloves. So I'm about to tackle these topics. Ground and pound.
With the sponge on the back?
With the sponge on the back. Yeah.
Like, ah!
Tap out. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like Cereal, aka Chris Passport Sling Dick, aka Eli Lipby, which is Gully. So but I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a round. Mio 994. Macau going off the Juve boss. MC Little Gunga P, pulling up from 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you, nigga.
The original, my plus one got a plus one. So don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast.
He's got some money sometimes.
Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Look out for that stampede. Young Charcuterie without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees kid, okay? Vice K. Masuzaka. Damn. Mr. La Marina, the Mess Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. Leonardo DiTrapio, a.k.a. your problematic babe. Mwah.
Yo, my God. Yo, what's good? Yo, my throat muscles are clenched. Yo, Shaquille Barrett, the motherfucking human do-rag flap. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby, I fucking man.
Baby.
You know what I'm
Give him
saying?
his agency.
Curve Gotti, you know what I'm saying? Eat stream my Stevie B, Rico Sabroso. If I go to your crib, I will open your medicine cabinet, so make sure you put the benzo somewhere else. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican Don Donna, Field the ass Tyson, Ben Smack Biombo.
Ben Smack.
Wiz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Yo, look up in the sky. What is that?
What is
it's
that?
It's the plantain supernova in the sky. Yo. Baby Newport, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm not stepping to the fucking side because my name is definitely on the fucking guest list. And swipe my debit card again because there's at least 5 G's on there. I know.
Is it a chip or a swipe?
Should I swipe
put
first?
Put it in first.
Chip, the swipe or the chip first?
No, put the chip. Put the chip.
Okay, the chip is in.
All
now
right.
what?
Now enter the pin.
That's right, nigga. We here for episode 47.
Episode 46.
Oh, 46. Fucking wow, I'm so smacked. I'm in the future.
He's in the future. Oh my God. I feel like Sierra. I'm like, come back. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing.
Yo, shout out to fucking Puffco because
Puffco got married. Got marrow out here. Smack. You can't even see it. Like, we usually sit on stools here in Red Bull Studio, the illustrious, the mecca of entertainment and info. Right now, your man Miro is not even sitting on a stool; he's just levitating.
I am. He's like Dawson.
Yeah.
Yoga. You know what I'm saying?
Oh man, a lot happened this week.
A lot of shit.
But you know what? We can't recap this week because we have a show on Viceland.
That's right.
That you should be watching. Where we recap every day,
every single fucking day.
But
it's not every week. It's every day.
But if you don't have cable, I get it. Listen, life is hard out here. Cable is a privilege.
It is.
Not everyone has cable. Not everyone is in a place in their life where you can have cable. So shout out to you wingdings out there that have cable and choose to watch the show and then get offended and then leave wild ass Instagram comments on my page like I'm reading all that. Nope.
TLDR, nigga.
TLDR. I feel bad because you got up. You walk to, I don't know, your fucking Vendex computer, maybe your Commodore 64.
Your Alienware.
You know what I'm saying? You turned on your 2400 baud modem. It was like, and you decided to tap out a little comment. Just vent your vexness.
Tippity tap tip.
Tippity tap tap tap. Got your Mavis beacon on. You was a teacher typing. And you got my comments and just leaving paragraph after paragraph. Wave of emotion. Wave of emotion.
No. But guess what?
I'm not reading all that. No, I don't read that. I read the comment underneath it where some chick put like heart eye emojis.
Yep.
Wait, if you're me, what are you gonna read? Someone scathing you and telling you like all types of shit, or
first of all, that doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Facts don't matter.
Doesn't matter because it's not facts.
It's not facts.
And even facts don't matter. But niggas are batting 900.
Dog, the brand is so brolic right now.
Niggas are batting 100. Every time for every dude that's like, yeah, this shit is so wacky. Niggas so whack. There's literally like 100 people that are like, yo, this is the most fire shit I ever heard.
Shout out to Bodega Hive.
Suck my dick for the best.
the back. Give special attention to the eye. Shout out to all the new Bodega Hive members. Shout out to all the day ones.
Word.
We out here. Shout out to our sponsors. Narcan.
That's right.
Heather's Choach.
That's right.
Not ISIS. The people fighting ISIS.
They're fighting him.
You know, we got the ISIS report in Mosul. We got a correspondent out there. We haven't been able to get in contact with him, but
Agent Johnson, holla, man.
Agent Johnson, I know Agent Johnson got the tap. Agent Johnson, they pulled him off of Hillary's emails to work on the fucking Bodega Boys, the case.
I was almost there. I was at number 3028.
Wait till they find that email Hillary deleted that she sent to us. Like, shit is lit, my niggas. Can I get on the Bodega? Can I get on the art?
Yo, I know you guys don't really have guests on the podcast, but it would be lit if you let me come on.
I did another round, but Trace and Heaven didn't have that fire piff. I was trying to smoke my G, and I wasn't allowed in their studio.
They weren't with the shits.
Not at all. Shout out to another round, dog. Shout out to another round. Yo. Oh, look what time it is.
Oh, look at Bill Murray, man. Happy the Cubs won.
Yeah.
Cubs
Shout out to the
won the World
Cubs.
Series. Shout out to the-
Won the World Series.
Game 7.
Game 7, you know, after 108 games.
In dramatic fashion.
As a matter of fact, the Cubs are like when a dude finally gets out of the friend zone and shit.
Oh.
Like we all feel good. Like, yo, shouts to you, homie.
Yo.
Damn, you was walking around for 3 years working with her to
years.
Sephora.
Wow.
Now she finally let you smell the show. She finally let you hit. My nigga. They put it on Facebook.
Yeah.
She finally claimed him and shit, put him on Instagram and tag him.
Nigga changed shit from single to it's complicated because she
Yeah.
don't want to claim him yet.
Yeah.
She's like, yo.
She's mad. The tweets are mad cryptic. Like she's happy, but she's just like, you
I
know,
just want to wait a little while.
my life is. How's your life? It's alright. You know, I'm happy, but
changing,
you know. And he's like, yeah, finally, finally. I love her.
Yeah.
Playing Nash. I hate you. I love you. I hate that. I love you. Oh
Yeah.
man.
What is the
Yo, shout out to the Cubs. Who's
they did
next?
it.
Who's
They
next?
did
Are the
it.
Knicks next?
I mean, they should be. 'Cause
No,
Cleveland
no,
won.
no,
Cleveland
they're not.
won the basketball championship. 52 years with no championship. And now either Cleveland Indians were going to win, or Cleveland baseball team. Sorry,
Right.
I'm not refused to use that stereotypical name.
Stereotypical name. Because we're woke
If
on
they
here.
would have won, it would have been like 40 something years.
Mm-hmm.
And if the Cubs won, obviously it would have been 100 something years. But regardless, a team that hasn't won in mad long was about to win. So now it's time for a team that hasn't won in mad long, the Knicks, to win
Right.
in basketball.
But you know what it is? The Cubs are lovable. The Knicks aren't. Like if you're a Knicks fan, you love the Knicks. If you're not a Knicks fan, you hate the Knicks.
I mean, yeah.
They're just annoying.
The Knicks
They're
just got
always
more
just fucking-
hateable.
Yeah,
They got more hateable. Like they kept Melo, you know what I'm saying? He didn't bounce.
They got-
And mad niggas hate Melo.
we got the problematic flower.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Your man Rose. Noah is like the new KG, like just mad obnoxious on the court,
Right.
screaming in niggas' faces, like
Not
pounding on his
really,
chest.
not really killing it, but like
Just,
getting
like,
on you
yelling.
between the whistles.
Yeah, like yo, you fucking cornball, just ODing on people. And then fucking Brandon Jennings is out here doing shimmy shakes and
They're
shit.
saying
like,
all lives matter.
Twerking and saying all lives matter.
Damn.
You know? So
I hope I'm not like some old wash nigga when the Knicks finally win it.
I mean,
Cause I saw they had a guy in Chicago, and they had a picture of him. He was listening with a transistor radio at his
Of course.
father's gravesite.
That's the old-
because he had like the promise to Game 7.
Wow.
That's like, yo,
damn, that's mad touching
that is touching.
for like a commercial.
Yeah.
Wasn't
do that.
that the Nike commercial that they ran after the game?
I'm sure they're
crying on his dad's grave,
do
like,
that
yo.
shit. I'm gonna do
You
that
know
when
what
the
I'm
Knicks finally win. I'm gonna listen to it on my father's grave, aka my backyard.
No shit. And y'all listening thinking it's like he's gonna kill his dad, and no, his dad is probably like bury me in the yard to save money.
Why are you buying new land? Perfect plot right here.
Look at this.
Bury me by the
fit right
tomatoes. I'm good fertilizer. Oh, see, maybe he listened to the podcast. Remember, wait, what episode was it where I was talking about I'm opening the organic cemetery? Damn, we have been doing this
Wow.
podcast for a minute.
For mad
I can't
long.
remember what episode. Someone, like a Bodega Hive member right now, Neil deGrasse Tyson, is like, that was actually episode 40. That was episode 13 at the 1352 mark.
Yeah. Shout out to people that be reminding me that I be predicting shit and I don't even remember predicting.
Mero Damas.
Straight Meryl Damas. Taylor Swift and Drake are now.
They're really out here.
They're really out here because
He's
he
yo,
really threw the shit on the gram.
He's really cracking her no back.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
He got her bent over.
Yo,
Like
it takes him mad long to be like, yo, just go all the way down her back. Like,
All the way
yo,
back.
this goes on forever.
he's definitely doing that thing. We'll get the dark where you got to find the hole. Like, where is it? It should be here. I feel the cheeks here, but
Yo.
damn.
Shorty's-
How you?
Yeah, come on. She's built like a Nutri-Grain bar, man. Like,
She's ginger. She is a ginger because he's trying to cleanse his palate of Rihanna.
okay.
So now he's going to a different flavor.
Yeah, I mean,
What's it?
Rihanna got a little ginger.
No, but
little-
like
little ginger beer.
The thing is, if you dealing with Rihanna and you can't the next chick, you got to go all the way to the polar
Yeah,
opposite.
that's the
to,
lemon
like, get a-
sorbet.
Yeah, she's
She's
like,
the
yo, like get me some fennel. I gotta get this taste out of my mouth.
That smoked paprika and shit.
There's a Rihanna single out there.
You know what I'm
Not
saying?
for long.
Not for long.
Once this
You know what I'm
restraining
saying?
order
Yeah, pull up.
expires,
Imagine
Spider-Man Jesus is back. Got my suction cups at our penthouse. Like, yo,
was
what's
that
good,
you?
ma?
Was that you that the cops grabbed off the fucking building?
It might have been. It might have been. What some people call stalking is what the others of us call courting. Sometimes you need to go through your beige garbage to know what's going on in their
What
life.
she's eating out here, so you can properly show up to a job with a meal unannounced.
Tearing apart her feces like an owl pellet. Like, oh.
Oh, she
Shout out to
really-
anyone in school that dissected owl pellets. I don't know if they still do that.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm saying like I went to school 2 years ago, and shit. But I was working at the school and we're doing shit.
They were
like
still
that.
doing that.
Yeah, but
I mean, that's a good
they're off
hood
the animals.
experiment.
Yeah.
You know?
I remember when I was in school though, they were doing animals like frogs and shit.
Yeah.
I did a frog. I did a fetal pig. which was
Yeah,
fucking
I did
gross.
that too. This
You know
girl
what
was
I'm
crying. She was like, "Oh, they gotta do this to the pig."
Yeah. I'm
Meanwhile,
like,
I got
she's
the
been
pig.
dead.
I'm doing like ventriloquist shit with the pig. I'm like,
hello, my baby. Hello, my honey.
I just flew in from LA, and boy, are my pig arms tired.
Yeah.
What's my favorite movie? Porky.
Oh, babe. Yo.
Anyone
my
seen
God.
Charlotte?
I did a sheep eyeball. That shit was
Yeah,
disgusting.
I think at the gym. What's that? The Hall of Science, and they always have you tearing apart like a cow eye or shit. And making the big bubbles. all my
Cows are
New
gross.
Yorkers that ever went on a school trip are like, wow, these is raising
Wow.
some salient points, and these are memories that I remember from my childhood.
That's right.
In New York before
You're
I moved
welcome.
to Orlando.
That's right. We did it just for you.
We bring it back.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, but New York City's it's funny because people come from like mad out of town
Miro's
to go to
so
like
smack right now,
I'm
like-
very smack.
Miro can't even open his eyes. Like, Miro looks. I feel like I'm in the wild day room at the methadone clinic. Are we
love
just
it.
gonna trade stories about how we stole credit cards from Brucey B?
One time I was at the Fever, and Busy Bee was performing. I was there breakdancing with Crazy Legs. They used to call me Crazy Durags because my strings, I used to leave it out. Crazy Legs left his jacket on the bench. He had $10. I took it. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to somebody that was mad popping. There's somebody out there that was mad popping in the 80s and
Yes.
is now just a wild dope fiend telling wild stories from back in the day, like at Daytop. Like,
So it was me and Flavor Flav, right?
Yeah.
You know me, they call me Terminator X.
Oh, shit.
You know, everyone
Yeah.
thinks Chuck D was the man in public. It was all
Yeah.
about Terminator
That's
X
right.
on the ones and
Oh, no,
twos.
that's right.
All right.
He invented the DJ.
Okay, I remember all that.
Yeah.
I gave Flavor Flavor's clock.
That's right.
That was my idea.
I told him, yo.
I said, Flavor,
Look.
tell her what time. Oh, excuse me, I'm getting sick.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, damn. That's nasty. Yo, drink some water.
No, it's my age.
Here, drink some
Listen.
Cobra.
Listen, anyway. I'm getting winded. I gotta lay down, my guy.
Yo, here's a Nutriman.
Oh, thank. Is it banana?
Oh, you already know, Poppy. Come on.
Ugh.
That's what we need out here when we getting sick out here, you know?
Hey, God bless. God bless. It's a lot. I've seen a lot, so I like living. You know? Are you with us? You with us? What's in your pocket? It's over here. I got a little of that
Hey,
K-tip.
don't. What you trying to talk my pocket? Man, fuck one.
This is funny. Except in the future, we're actually gonna be dope fiends.
yo, I seen two dudes. It's funny I just said that because I came here on the train. You know what I'm saying? To remain humble.
Right.
Came here on the 2 train. And there was a dude who clearly was like, you know, like wild
With the
drunk.
shits?
Yeah,
Yeah.
like wild fucked up. He sat next to me on the shit. Had the black plastic bag with the wild king cobra in it, straight guzzling it, just
Listen,
like
God is
emanating.
working with all of us.
Yeah,
God
just-
is working on all of us.
Just
Excuse me.
straight emanating like the bum beer, and then 2 stops later, Jackson Ave. This other dude gets on the train, Puerto Rican cat, fat dude, looks at me dead in my eyes.
Poppy, I could sit down. I'm disabled.
I'm like, nigga, you are not disabled, bro. Yo, and then Shorty sitting next to me, and she gets up for the nigga, and I'm like, yo, you're bugging. She gets up, he sits down. That homie that was sitting next to me that has the king cobra, they touch arms and immediately start beefing.
Of course.
Immediately start beefing.
Yo, fuck out. No, fucking touch me, man. What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm like, yo, it's 9 a.m., dog. Like,
Listen.
I'm not here for the bum fight at 9 a.m.
Because it's 9 a.m. to you.
DVD.
Because you have somewhere to go. If you're drinking a King Cobra early in the morning, it ain't 9 a.m. Nigga, it's always 4 p.m. You got nowhere to go. You got no responsibilities, no destinations. Your calendar is not popping up on your Apple phone. Like, you need to be somewhere at some time. No. It's quiet for you, dog. You wait for the sun to go down so you can do scumbag things without people judging you. I've been there.
Yo.
You never smoked a blunt alone in Bronx River Park. Just think about your life like, damn.
I mean, many times.
I don't even deserve this oxygen I'm breathing.
Yo.
Broke, nigga.
It's just bad side.
It's sad, but you know, listen, God's working on all of us. if you're out there, drinking early in the morning,
Yo,
like me,
keep riding on your own horse.
you're riding on your horse. Ford that river.
That's right. Make sure that you don't drown members in your party or lose an axle
That's right.
or your food.
Or lose your kids to dysentery.
You know what I'm saying?
It happens a lot. It happens a lot. Ooh. Oh no. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh,
what
my
is
mouth.
this?
Ooh,
is this-
this. I think it's time for the tea report.
Oh my God, this tea is so hot.
Ooh, gotta cool this down.
Damn.
It's the tea report.
Oh my God.
It's your man Zesty Jesus.
That's right. And I'm over here, fake eyelash marrow.
Oh mo.
out
Oh
here.
no, with the Zest report.
Yes.
Girl, did you see Westbrook last night with the petty?
Petty. Let me tell
Ooh.
you something. He came out here with a vest that said official photographer.
Official
you know why?
photographer. Because Kevin Durant enjoys photography. Ooh, girl, he is.
Ooh, that tea's hot.
Oh, let me put out my oven mitts because I
Ooh,
cannot
my
pick
God,
up this
I can't
kettle.
even- Ooh, dude, put that down, girl.
It's the tea report.
Ooh, you gonna burn yourself.
Oh, watch out. Shout out to your man Westbrook came out with the official
Yo.
photographer joint.
Yeah, and then-
Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want.
Hey.
Now I do what I want.
Yeah.
Except KD was thinking the same thing. Like,
Yup.
word, nigga?
Word?
Catch 39.
Catch this 39 piece.
The Slim Reaper.
Yo, my God.
The servant.
Cooking niggas. bro.
Swaggerless McGee.
Swaggerless McGee out here cooking.
Out
Yo,
here
there
with
was-
his get along gang, the Warriors, him and Steph Curry saying prayers before games, helping homeless women cross the street, just doing good things.
fucking Klay Thompson.
I think Klay Thompson left a comment about Instagram complaining about the show. He was like, I don't get the humor in this.
I don't understand. You guys made fun of me like I'm not even dead.
Why is this show, you're doing topical humor, why is there a bear with Timberlands? Bears wouldn't even actually wear Timberlands.
They wouldn't even do that.
They actually are Ursine mammals, and they
So-
can just use their claws to walk. So
Yeah.
why would they invest in footwear?
Yeah.
Also, why would they wear double-soled Timbs? Everyone knows single-soled Timbs are better.
Yeah, those are my favorite. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Yo, I just picture him just taking everything wild, literally. Like
Well,
throughout life.
literally, just everyone trying to crack jokes and shit, and Klay Thompson's like, what? No.
What do you mean?
What?
Well, why? That
I'm
doesn't-
ugly. I'm my daddy's kid? Well, of course
Of course, I'm my dad's kid.
He's my father.
He's my dad.
Yeah.
His name is Thompson. I'm Thompson.
Why would you put a crying Michael Jordan face on someone that lost something? Like,
don't
that was
understand.
Michael Jordan in a very emotional moment. That meant
Yeah.
a lot to him. He worked very hard for that.
Yeah,
That was
it's
in
not
his
really
Hall of
funny.
Fame speech.
Yeah, I don't
Oh, that's
understand.
kind of disrespectful.
Yeah, and the Warriors blew a 3-1 lead in the finals. I don't understand why you guys keep saying this. Yeah, it happened.
It happened. It's a fact. Like,
Yeah,
do
so,
you want
like-
rewards for saying facts?
Yeah.
Also, shout out to Heather Choate. That's kind of disrespectful of her agency.
Yeah, it is. So
Who
you
is-
guys
who
probably
is
should like
that?
cut that out. Like,
Yeah.
So like, you know,
And also Red Bull Studios. I mean, is it even like a really studio? It's kind of more like an art display
it's
case.
like yeah.
Like-
So they do like art installments.
So,
So are you?
also
guys
there's
even
no
artists?
horns after 220 West 18th Street. Like, you added those.
Those
That's
are
not
fake.
even, that's not
Those
real
are fake.
horns.
That's editing.
It's
Yeah.
actually our with Klay Thompson.
He was watching
Just
a
a-
fucking 3D IMAX movie like this would never happen.
We're
in
gonna
real
bring
life.
back Mystery Science Theater with just Neil deGrasse Tyson and Klay Thompson, just ruining every
Ruining
fucking
thing in the world.
Well, the movie's called Belly, but you don't actually see any digestion.
Yeah. This is really misleading.
Yo, shout out to KD getting them out the paint yesterday, man.
Yo, he really cooked niggas. Yo, Victor's back in here with the fucking chia pudding. My God,
You gotta be a very
it's just mad healthy.
You got to be a very strong man to sit in a room for other dudes. Speaking of strong men,
Who's strong
time
man?
for the Jesus movie review.
Who's strong man?
All right, I saw a movie this weekend. I recommend it for everyone, all of y'all to see it. It's a black movie. It's called Moonlight.
Oh,
It has everything in it. It has hip hop, got guns in it,
Okay.
got violence.
okay.
It was a good movie. I was enjoying myself till them niggas start kissing in that shit.
Why did you sound like Beanie Siegel when you said that?
Two black men just gonna press their big, blick, Asiatic lips on each other, touching on each other's rippling, masculine chests, just tenderly caressing each other into the moonlight.
Was
Just
it actually Matt
tenderly.
smashing in that movie? Was
No,
it just
it's actually very. It's a beautiful movie. It's very tender.
Okay.
Like, some people was like, it's a gay movie more than it's a black movie. It's a black movie about a gay black man. Two black, like, let them niggas cook. You could be two things at
You could
once.
be
What the fuck?
intersectional.
It's a great movie. It's touching at the end. My recommendation, if you go on a date to see it, when they get to the diner scene, that's when you start making your move on your date. So I'm just giving you the heads up.
Okay.
Maybe try to get that little undershirt action.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? Touch that nipple.
Yeah.
Find out if your date has a weird inverted nipple and that she feels bad. She didn't tell you.
inverted nipples are kind of popping though.
They are kind of they're literally not popping.
Yeah,
If you're-
but if they get, Have you ever seen an inverted nipple that gets hard and comes out?
Yeah.
That shit is the
That's
wave.
wild. And the thing is, because the girl, he's used to that, but to you, you're like, yo, it's Uncle Magic time. Yo, do that again.
Oh, the turtle's coming out of the shell.
Yeah. It's like it's like the first time a girl sees an uncircumcised penis. She's heard things.
Yeah.
But she definitely wants to see the turtle show.
Waiting for this uncut cock.
She's gonna definitely make you try on a few turtlenecks, if you know what I'm saying.
Yo.
Oh shit.
Oh. CBS News reports unarmed intelligence sources have concerns of possible attacks by Al Qaeda on Monday. Possible terror threat before election. What the?
They not. That's some false flag shit. That's some Trump shit. Like, they don't want people to go out and vote. They always do that. They're always like, yo, Al Qaeda's not even popping.
Yeah, they're not.
Now I feel this. You shout out to the sponsor, ISIS. All right, fuck you. I'm saying it right now. ISIS been doing it much harder than Al Qaeda. How dare Al Qaeda try? Al Qaeda right now is like a Wild Wash rapper. Like, yo, I'm coming back.
Let me tell you something.
They just went on. ISIS just went on. Al Qaeda just went on Taxstone.
Yeah.
Did a wild interview and fired
It's
shots at
dangerous.
niggas.
It's
Like, yo,
dangerous.
I'm coming back.
Oh, y'all new niggas.
You don't just listen.
Tell y'all niggas, man. Oh,
Listen.
y'all new niggas. Y'all Boko Haram niggas. Y'all ISIS niggas. You know what I'm saying? We
I was
coming.
doing this first.
Been doing this.
ISIS ain't allowed to
Yeah.
rep the city.
That's right. Uncle Al, nigga. We
Doing
did this
We
shit,
grew up
nigga.
Remember me?
Yeah.
Ill and Out Scratch.
Sup?
Where my hoes.
Beast.
All right? ISIS gonna wake up and see this shit on Baller like what?
Oh.
Whose man's is
Yo.
this? Yo, oh, word?
Yo.
You firing shots?
Oh, this shit is official? Word? All right. Oh, we got screenshots? I bet.
ISIS gonna tweet Monday, LOL. Attack. Niggas talking about attacks. I don't see nothing. Moon emoji.
Yeah.
Yeah, aight.
That niggas ain't banging our set like
On
that.
Snapchat, like, yo, it's Monday. Where they at? Where they at, though? Where their attacks at, though? Al Qaeda ain't attacking shit. Also, Al Qaeda, the problem was they blew their they went too big too fast.
Yeah.
Like, ISIS is out here stealing, like swapping receipts at CVS, switching
Yeah.
price tags and
Yeah,
shit,
yeah.
doing mad petty crimes, but they're in the news all the time. Al Qaeda came through with Illmatic and never came through with
Never
another
came back.
follow up. You know what I'm saying?
You know what
They
I'm
had
saying?
one. They rapped one summer. We was all in the club singing 9/11, and then
yeah.
no more.
Now they're back. You know what I'm saying?
You know, you need another hit. They working with Pharrell now. Like, yo, I got another smash coming.
Yo, come on, son. Yo,
Yo.
Mike Will produce half my shit.
Yo, I got Alicia Keys on the track,
Yo, come
Metro
on.
Boomin.
Yo, come
I got
on,
a
son.
Future verse. Yo,
Metro
check my
Boomin
shit out.
want some more,
All
right? Y'all fuck with that, right? Yeah.
They showed a video of like fucking Al Qaeda in the studio, like, yo, they're doing the Migos flow. I'm blowing up buildings. I'm blowing up buildings. They're killing civilians.
I got a suicide belt. Suicide belt. Nigga, I'm out here. What do do?
Suicide. Hijacking, suicide, formation in my life.
Mama.
Shout out to us is making terrorist organizations cuddly
You know
characters.
what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's the brand.
Hey.
We take stuff you take very seriously. We take your sacred lambs,
And throw them in the garbage.
your sacred cows, and we slit their throat,
Throw them in the garbage.
and we roast them, and we eat them in front of Peter.
Yo, does that bottle say Boston on it?
Say what?
It says Boston?
It says brewed in Holland because I'm drinking Heineken's tonight. Because it says Boston. Yeah, this is a city edition.
Oh, city edition.
This one says Amsterdam. See?
Oh, city edition Heineken.
I ran out of Becks, so I had to get some Heinekens this morning. Because I was dead ass tired yesterday. Because we have done a lot of fucking shows
Yeah,
this week.
niggas
Nigga.
out here
We are
pounding.
the hardest working duo in
Show business.
business.
Telling you right now, nobody's working harder.
No one's working harder. Who would think? Because listen, 3 years ago, I have no work ethic like this.
Mm-hmm.
My whole day was about getting weed.
Listen, it was always in you.
It was always
As
in
a
me.
Jamaican,
There
it
you
was
go.
always inside you.
True.
I was gonna pause, but we don't do pause.
We don't do pause no more. We've grown.
We've grown.
We grown. So if you're gonna find some of our old shit and bring it up, you're
Don't
gonna look
matter.
stupid because
Don't
we've
matter.
grown. Everyone sees that we grown. So all right, get
Everybody's seen the progression.
I know some of y'all got your little 30 worst tweets by Jesus, your little BuzzFeed list.
can't
People
wait-
waiting.
can't wait to
don't
fire it
don't
off.
press publish on it. I'll sue you like fucking Hulk Hogan sued Gawker.
Woo!
I'll bring you down.
You don't want to get taken out the game.
I got that gay rich guy behind me.
That's
Pause.
right.
All right, I guess we're doing pause again.
You can pause that dude because he's a wild scumbag.
Peter
Yeah, whatever.
Peter Thier.
Yeah.
He's not popping. You know who was Peter?
He's the wild Trump supporter too.
He is.
Yeah.
A lot of troubling people. Paul O'Neill.
Paul O'Neill's a Trump supporter?
Yep.
Wow.
Johnny Damon.
Yeah, all these rich niggas. Yeah, I believe it. You know what I'm saying? All these rich
Charlemagne.
dudes. Yeah. Imagine. Imagine Charlemagne takes a picture in the voting booth with the wild Trump ballot. Like, yo.
Charlemagne and Tax don't vote for Trump.
Tax for Trump, beloved. Are you niggas tired of getting locked up and shit? You niggas want to make money in these streets? Trump is going to hold you down. He'll give you bricks on consignment, beloved.
He's gonna build that wall. Shout out to Tax
Shout out
Stone.
to Tax. He's definitely not voting for Trump.
Taxstone actually had the Meek Mill interview, and
Yeah.
Meek Mill said some very salient points
Yo, he
about
did.
all lives matter. Black
Yeah.
Meek Mill every now and then he'd be like, yo, you'd be like, yo, that's the old Meek I fuck
Yeah.
with. Then he'd do some wild shit like
He
get
do
on
some wild
Instagram,
shit.
and you'd be like, I can't
fuck
bang
you.
with this.
But yo, he did make a great point about the All Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter shit. He made a great point about, basically the war on drugs and how niggas in the hood will get their doors kicked down for drugs, but there's the wild dope epidemic all over like suburbia, like the Northeast and shit. Them niggas ain't getting their doors kicked down.
Not at all.
I'm saying?
They're opening a dispensary in the Bronx, a weed
Oh,
dispensary.
that's right. Yeah, my man tagged me in that on Facebook and shit. Was like, yo, they're doing a block party.
But here's the bullshit. Like, first of all, they got mass security because apparently in the article they were like, they just don't want just anybody walking in off the street. I felt some kind of way about that. What the fuck does that mean? That it was like, it's not street weed. All right, you're not coming in here and getting edibles. It's like you can only get vaporized weed or injectable, like synthetic weed or some bullshit like that.
weed? So there's no flowers in there?
It's not popping. It's not for like people trying to get wild. Smack City, smack City. Nah, it's like old niggas that are about to die and shit. It's like,
that's
yo,
lame.
put some weed oil in my butt and let the Grim Reaper take me home.
Corny. Yo, y'all gotta get flowers and then
We're
have us
opening
at
a
the-
dispensary.
We should, right?
The Be Excellent Academy is also a dispensary.
Oh, shit.
We have little kids bagging up. They're using their precious little fingers to roll blunts at
Be
cones.
excellent cannabis.
Be Excellent Cannabis. Yes.
Cannabis training.
Yes.
Yo, in only 6 months, you can get your certificate in cannabis technology.
Do you want to be a cannabis NA?
Hello, my name is Jasenia, and I went to the Cannabis Be Excellent Academy, and now I'm certified to roll Dutchess and White Owls. Thank you.
I saw it on TV, and they was like, yo, if you could keep your kids and you could go and you could do this too.
That's right.
All right? We offer courses in phlebotomy, cannabis growing,
That's right.
cannabis rolling, hookah installation and repair. Get your HVAC, hookah, vacuum, and cleaning.
Yo, you just sitting there on the couch, man.
You're not doing nothing. Every day, 10,000 hookahs get clogged. Someone has to fix them. Why not you?
Yo.
Listen,
They
you
just saw
think-
the man stressed out Dominican club owner like, Papi, all my hookahs is clogged. Oh my God.
who am I going to call?
Be Excellent Academy of Cannabis Technologies.
You got the van pulls on like an optimal outline. They got mad different hookah hoses in the back.
Yeah.
Like, oh, okay, well you're gonna need a red 4-footer here. What kind? Oh, I see you were smoking the grape. Well, yeah. Of course the grape is gonna block up your main
It
line.
has the fructose in it. Listen.
All right, I'm gonna have to get some parts for this. I'm gonna
Yeah.
need a new filter and a new hashish holder.
All right. I'll be back tomorrow between 8 and 8.
Okay. Who can someone sign? Can the chick with the big tits? Can she sign this invoice? All right. You mind if I sip this Henny while I'm here?
Ooh. Speaking of ooh and Hennessy,
Ooh.
the fucking
Shout out to,
Heffany.
Peak Caucasity.
Oh my God.
4 white guys. I didn't want to report on this. I had to check if any of them followed me or if they were Bodega Hive.
Oh, true.
They went and got they took Henny bottles,
Yes.
slapped lavender stickers on
That's
it.
right.
Said there was a hint of lilac on it,
Ah.
and started selling something called Heffany.
Heffany. Which is just Tennessee with a fake label.
Yes, just completely removing the agency of one young MA and profiting from it. Because she had made the reference. You call her Stephanie, I call her Heffany.
Heffany, ooh.
Forever ruining a character from Full House and or Steph Beemore's life. But, Twitter was like, nah,
Is Steph B more Heffany?
Steph, you know what? You leave that girl alone. Don't remove her agency. Just, but removing, they
Shout out to
try to remove, young MA's life here, dog.
I mean, did they really sell a lot of these, or did they make like 5 of them and take a picture for the
They
gram?
put a bunch of them on the liquor store shelves, and people on Twitter was like,
Yeah.
nope, nope.
Y'all not gonna treat her like on fleek, shorty on fleek,
Nope.
and didn't get no money from this?
Okay, you're not robbing. You are
better
not
get the
gonna
check.
rob another black woman of her creation. Okay.
Yeah. Shout
They
out
got
to
them
on
out the
fleek.
paint. I saw a tweet yesterday. Somebody was like, "Excuse me, Hennessy US. Do you know about this?" And they had a full tag. They tagged everything in it. So
Wow. At
get off the
LVMH,
paint.
at Hennessy,
you can't just
at
be stealing
Hennessy
people's
US.
shit. Because people, I'm not gonna say any particular type of people, white people love to do shit like that on Twitter and just because they have the resources and they have the ability to take these little ideas and make them bigger
Right.
and profit from it.
I mean, that's what they do.
It's like look,
Yo,
and like perfect example on Fleek. JetBlue had a tweet. It was like, "Yo, our jets are on Fleek."
on fleek.
They didn't give her a free ticket. They didn't give her nothing. They didn't give her no millions. Just using her word all willy nilly.
Did she reach out to them?
So she doesn't have a legal case.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying?
But you gotta
Meanwhile,
just
other people.
You know what? The court of public opinion, though. If she
The
reaches
court of
out-
public opinion won't pay your bills, though.
No, definitely not. But they could now, especially with social media, you could put a company in a position. You see it all the time. Like you could put a company in a position to fire somebody, give you shit, just by pressing them on social media and bringing like awareness. Like, yo, these people are corny and they're doing a fucked up thing. You know what I mean? You can gas people to do it. Yo, Black Twitter has gotten people fired 100 times. I feel like at some point there's gonna be confetti's gonna fall. It's like this is the 150th person we got fired for saying some fucked up shit. Yay! Celebration.
Oh man, that's what they do. That's what Black Twitter keeps people employed.
You know what I mean?
Because people like to run their mouths on Twitter and think there's no
That's what I'm
consequences. Even though I run my mouth on Twitter. Actually, no, I run my mouth on Twitter and the consequences I gotta show. So hope it works out like that for you. If it doesn't, if you want to get on
it a
Twitter
shot.
and call Obama a nigger and then you lose your job as a line cook at Golden Corral,
I mean,
listen,
kind of had it coming.
that's what happened. Also, a line cook at Golden Corral, what were you doing? You just microwaving chicken fillets.
Yeah.
You wasn't hurting the game.
Yeah,
You
you're not
wasn't
really
chefing it up. You
You're
wasn't
not
really
doing
in
it
the
like
kitchen.
that. You're not making it happen.
Did you know that in the iPhone, on the iPhone 7, a person can dislike a message,
Like you could
give a thumbs down to a message,
Like a text?
Yes.
Wow.
At 10:43.
Look at how excited about. I seen your molars when you said that.
Well, you know what? Samsung is out here
Fucking
acting
up.
up. Did you see today
The washing machine.
The washing
recall.
machine.
And you see, and it's funny because I was so ready. I'm in dad house copping mode. I was so ready to be like the Kid Mero and all his brand new stainless steel Samsung appliances.
doing?
Now I'm nervous.
How did it? I mean, it's recalling 2.8 million washing machines because it says it's falling apart during use or it could injure you.
Wow.
Things went bad with Samsung very fast.
Damn.
Like phones blowing up, washing machines.
Whoever's building your
things.
shit, man. Whoever you're outsourcing the factory work to, man, you better switch it up.
My aunt, her Samsung refrigerator killed her.
Stop.
It did.
Because I was just about to say, like, I bought a Samsung fridge and it didn't fit in like my fridge crevice, and I
Yeah.
sent it back, and I got some other bullshit. But that fridge, I was like in love with it, B.
No, she had one of those Wi-Fi fridges, and I guess at night it was going on Google and shit, and it became self-aware and killed her.
No, shit. Google and ordered mad guns to the crib, waiting for her to go to bed. It was like,
It was ordering like bear traps and shit.
I've been waiting to do this forever, bitch.
I was like, no.
Like, oh no, DD.
No, that didn't happen. That didn't happen.
I think I said she fell on her or some
because
shit.
the wild.
Yeah.
Watch Samsung, because Samsung shit fall apart. They be like, yo, our shit fall apart. But y'all,
Yeah, coming
we
with
gonna
us.
sue these niggas.
Fuck y'all.
They gonna hit us with the Gawker lawsuit.
No.
That's all
I still rock with y'all. I got the Samsung TV.
Also,
nigga.
none of my aunts got a
Wi-Fi
fucking
fridge.
refrigerator that got Wi-Fi.
You know
my
what
aunt
y'all
got the
was-
old Betty Boop. She got
Come
the
on.
old Betty Boop ice box that you
Come
gotta
on.
put the big brick of ice on the top and it got straw at the bottom because it still works.
Yeah.
Buying a new fridge.
If you tell them a new fridge with Wi-Fi, they'll just be like,
I actually just had to pay $300 to get my fridge fixed.
why'd you buy a new one?
Because I have the fridge. It's there. Like, what am I gonna? I'm gonna move the fridge,
No,
drag it
just-
out and
you
shit.
have some-
It's not my fridge. It's like my parents bought the fridge. You know, I'm taking care of
Right.
this spot, but you know,
I mean-
it's a lot.
I mean,
don't know. Like,
would they be tight if you got the new fridge?
Oh,
Because I
they
know.
be- oh my god, they be because it's like it's a relatively new fridge in Jamaican terms, so it's not 30 years old.
Right.
So they would be tight. You can't. Nah, you can't just be wasting money. Like, just because you got money doesn't mean you can waste money.
that's true.
And just because shit is new, if shit still works, you gotta use it. You know what I'm saying? Like, just because your TV got knobs doesn't mean you could throw it out and get the
mean-
fucking curved 4K shit. You watch your SD games, you watch the football games and don't know what team is what because it's blurry like
That's
Tecmo
terrible.
Bowl.
I'd switch my TV to SD mode the other day just for a second, just to see, and I was terrified.
It's like-
I was like, I can never go back to this.
For you, that's like condom sex.
Yo, it is. I can never go back to the shit.
That shit
It's
is
trash.
It's aggressive.
It's
It's
not the
insulting.
same. Yeah, no.
SD. Because remember, take out the T in STD. It's the same thing,
It's
right?
the same thing.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Do the math.
I'm getting burnt.
Teach these devils.
Fucking garbage.
Garbage.
But Samsung, we fuck with y'all still. I don't care. I don't care if your washing machine blows
yeah,
up.
if your
catch on
company is
fire.
embroiled in some scandal and shit, we'll still
rock with you.
We'll still
yo.
rock with
Send
you.
me a TV.
Listen, anybody, any brand.
Yeah.
Call me Jesus Duke.
You know what I mean?
Hey, y'all.
Hey.
Are you tired of the Jews?
Huh?
Let's hit them all record scratch like.
Like, what the fuck is this?
Sorry, I would like to apologize. Earlier,
I was hacked.
I said I was tired of the Jews. I actually feel there's not enough Jews. I love them. They're adorable people. I love the little
Amazing.
Haman touches.
Amazing.
When I see you
Love
at
the holidays.
MSG and you have the little yarmulkes with the little basketball
Super cute.
on it, I appreciate that.
Super cute.
So,
Go team.
you know, L'Haim, and next year in
You
Jerusalem.
got the little pen thing.
Okay, Jesus Ratzin out.
Hello, I'll see y'all for birthright.
We're just gonna have to continuously rent halls for press conferences to apologize and shit. The more popular we get, because we're just gonna keep offending different groups.
We just have some shit on retainer. You know how you just like rent an office space?
One day, like next week, we should just take a day and we're just gonna pre-record like apologies
apologies for
to
everything.
different ethnic groups and people and women.
Yeah,
and,
yeah, yeah.
You know,
That's good. It's good to have those on deck. You know what I'm saying?
what if they just come out too fast and shit? Like Miro tweets some wild racist shit at like 9:18 and at 9:19, I just upload the vibe like, yo, I'm so. They're like, when was this film?
Hold up.
How does he have? He has a full beard.
You tweet this shit like 5 seconds before my shit goes out. Like,
Was it filmed in the summer? You have on short sleeves.
why is this? Why
The
you
timestamp says August.
You're
How-
30 pounds heavier. What's going on?
Did you know you were going to make that offensive tweet?
Yes.
Yes, I did. Next question.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here.
Pivot.
Whatever.
Saying we need a press secretary.
We need a lot of things. I need a personal assistant.
Yeah, I was just thinking that, yo. Like,
but the
damn.
problem with a personal assistant is that like you got to give them your passwords to your phone.
Yeah.
They're gonna be up in your house. They're gonna know all your business. I can't.
that's wild.
I don't trust people like that. I don't trust niggas.
Yeah, nah.
At the top, it's just us niggas. And I don't really trust niggas.
I feel like I would trust a
GBE.
woman.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
I was getting in.
I feel like I trust a woman, not a dude.
Well, you got Heather.
Yeah.
I don't got no Heather. I don't.
Damn, that's not a bad side. Don't
That's
say
my
that.
new single. I don't got no Heather. I don't got no Heather. I go to sleep alone.
Yo, let's get you a Heather.
Let's get me a Heather. I
The
don't want a
wild
Heather.
black natural hair Heather.
I don't want no Heather.
You know what I'm
I
saying?
don't want no one. Listen.
You don't want-
Take
you don't want
these broken wings. I'm flying. I don't need no one.
like, I don't
weighing
wanna
me
answer
down.
anybody.
I don't want to answer anybody.
Fuck
Now
outta
I do what I want.
Hey.
Now I do what I want.
Hey.
Nah, I really need somebody to like help me with my life. My life is out of control. I need someone to like walk my dog and open my mail.
True.
Get my vitamins.
Yeah, that's true.
I need someone to do like my Sumner Redstone and hook up my. Cause we know
Get your steaks.
get mistakes. We get when Heather allows you that once a year Triz and me and you Triz. We get our Sumner.
whole pass?
Me, you,
Sumner?
me, you, and Sumner.
And fucking like some wild back page maniac joint.
So you're gonna suck Mero's dick in front of me. You know, he might be a little nervous, but I'll be smooth. I'll be on a stick smoothie.
I read your ad. It says you do that. For 150 flowers.
I have
Roses.
I have
excuse
liver spots on my foreskin. Is that all right?
me. It's gonna take you a minute to roll it up.
It looks like pimento.
Yeah. I will probably, damn, I will probably, there's no way I can remain with a boner if I seen Sumner Redstone nude. You know what I'm saying? Triz with him might be
Speak for
impossible.
yourself. Welcome to the T Report. No, definitely. Yeah, he's just like, yeah.
I might need some fucking wild, like, 6 blue pills. Be
like Shorty's jerking him off and just mad dead skin flakes and just everywhere. Like,
yeah, like fucking pig pen. Just like every.
the room smells like Bengay. Trying to keep the mad boner, but all you hear is this fucking heart machine like, boop, boop.
Oh shit! Shock him!
Get the defibrillator. Put it on his dick. Put it on his balls. Put it on his balls.
Niggas using Bengay's lube. Be like, damn, this shit burns. Just burning to my dick. Can't use this shit, nigga. Get the KY.
She's like, is that icy hot? Ow, 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 is that icy hot? Ow. The nurse just comes in like, I'm not really a nurse. Like he bought me this uniform at Party City. I don't know nothing about phlebotomy. I should have went to the BX Academy of Cannabis Repair.
That's right. Yo, oh my god, it's so gross.
Shout out to Sumner. That's how you know you got slandered on here. If we end it with shout out to you. So
Yo, but I feel like he's gonna be alive for another 15 years, which
Of course.
is absolutely nuts.
he has enough money to buy parts from babies and stuff.
That's so ill.
That's what Planned Parenthood is. Planned Parenthood was set up to destroy the black race and to provide organs for rich people. Fuego Tank!
My god. Yo, so you said, wow, damn, Planned Parenthood is basically like The Island.
It is. Oh, wow. I actually saw that movie.
Remember that movie?
Wow,
That was
what a bad movie.
Yeah. Really?
What a bad
You didn't like
movie.
it? I was wild smacked when I saw it.
Well,
to be
I
fair.
was pretty drunk when I saw it, and I was like, "There's mad plot holes in this."
Yeah. The plot twist at the end was like, oh shit. You know what I'm saying? Like when they escaped the shit, I was
Yeah.
like, oh wow. I was like, wow. But I was.
But it ended
extremely
like
smacked.
that's how '80s movies ended, like
Yeah.
that shit. That shit was like
Mad
and it makes
dystopian.
the mad noise, like. That sounded like the beginning of Party Next Door. Recognize.
Oh shit.
See, listen, I know. Shout out to Party Next Door,
PNX.
and shout out to Mississauga.
Oh shit.
People saying I don't put on for Mississauga.
Where's
Like I
Mississauga?
am not. It's in Canada.
I know, but like West Coast, East Coast. Is it
Not
like
East
Vancouver?
Coast, but it's more to the east.
One of these?
But you know what I'm saying? Because I am, I rep the Bronx and I rep the saga. The saga continues.
The second Wu-Tang.
All right. People think they be like, yo, these is not really from the. These don't know Mississauga. What?
These are all Mississauga.
Nigga, when you see me at Square One Shopping Center,
What?
All right, and not shopping center with the CENTR.
No, it's Century, like Centre.
CENTRE.
Yeah,
like the
Centre.
French way. I'll be out there.
Yeah,
You see me
Centre.
out there.
Centre.
You see me out there with my secret Mississauga boo.
That's right.
She be looking wild stressed. Like, you really only gonna come visit me for a
Why you
weekend,
don't
nigga?
let- Come on, yo, please.
You ain't
play
spending
me,
no time
yo.
with Jesus Jr.
Come on, son.
Eh. I'm like, come on, ma. Let's go watch a movie with French subtitles.
Yo, come on.
We out here.
Let's get some poutine.
She yelling at me, but it's wild polite.
Is it poutine or poutine?
Poutine.
But you say poutine?
You say it however you want. You do what
that's
you
true.
want.
Yeah, you
do what you want with your pop.
That's true. Yeah, fuck that.
That was mad insulting to me. That you gonna ask niggas about pronunciation. Have you ever seen me care about pronunciation? I'm out here slandering words, just molesting the
You know what I'm
English
saying?
alphabet.
That's part of your thing. You know what
That's
I'm
my
saying?
thing. That's my brand.
You know what I mean?
Your thing is unprotected sex. My
You know
thing
what
is
I'm
just not
saying?
pronouncing shit
Yeah,
right.
you know?
And
Yeah.
look how far it's taking us.
Look.
Show me that
at the-
smile
look at the heights.
again.
Look at the
Oh, show me. Sorry, I'm mad singy today.
It's good.
That's when you know a nigga getting money when he starts
You
singing.
start singing for no reason?
On that Jiminy Cricket shit.
Woo.
We talking about this?
Nigga, I just be humming.
I'm about to be on Glee and shit.
I be in the pantry at Vice like, yo,
I'll be in a bodega like, yo, let me get a chopped cheese. Chopped cheese, chopped cheese.
I used to hate hearing like music, like people playing the radio. Like that shit used to drive me nuts. I used to be like, yo, fuck you, I don't want to hear your shit. Fuck you and your whole life and everything that you like.
Right.
I don't want to hear nothing that you like. Fuck you, I want to hear my shit. Now I'm just like, oh, is that Taylor Swift? Shake it up. Singing along.
Just
and
singing
shit.
along and shit?
Singing along. like
Turn
a
that up. I
motherfucker.
love
Turn
that
it up.
song. That's my jam.
Oh shit. Fuck. I mean, like fucking. What is that Bruno Mars shit?
Uptown- Uptown
That's it. Is
See,
that, that's
Victor
old
knew
joint,
on
right?
point. Victor had that on deck.
Because he is Bruno Mars.
He is Bruno Mars. You're not low.
You're not low, nigga.
Fuck out of here. You
Yo,
think because you're gonna be hanging with us for a
expose
year?
him. Expose
we not gonna know.
him.
You ever notice all the episodes Victor hasn't been here for? Bruno Mars been doing sold out tours and shit. Nigga wasn't here during the VMAs. You don't know. You out here with Macklemore.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, what's this really out here doing it?
I'm a Bruno Mars truther.
Nigga just does shit mad obvious like Spider-Man. Like nigga's like, oh, I have to go get another glass of water. Then Bruno Mars appears out of nowhere.
Oh,
Like, yo, where's Victor?
what's it? Oh,
He would love to meet Bruno Mars. Let's try to get him on the show.
yeah. Yeah. I'm like, where's
Yo, he got a new joint, right? That Magic
yes,
something?
I don't know.
I don't know how it goes.
You don't have to go listen to it. You're eventually gonna hear it over and
exactly,
over.
yeah.
At some point, you're gonna hear it and already know the words for it. And you'll be like, "How the fuck?"
How did that happen? Is there a chip in my brain? Mm-hmm. There's a chip in my debit card. That's just the beginning. Stay woke. Next is chips and humans. Would you put an RFID chip in yourself if it helped your
No.
life be more convenient?
No, I don't trust the government or the Illuminati or
Anything like that, right?
anybody.
Yeah, me neither. That's
so
why I don't have
RFI chips, I don't trust them. Matter of fact, I take the new 100s and the new 20s, which have RFI chips, and I put them inside the microwave, and I microwave them for 30 seconds, which renders the RFI chip unusable.
Useless. Oh,
Matter of
shit.
fact, it can make them blow up at points. But you know what? Listen, fuck that. The government should be tracking you.
I respect that.
Mind their business.
I just use
Obama
magnets.
trying to take our guns. He still is.
I just used the big ass magnets from inside the speaker.
See how it work.
You know what I'm saying?
See, also shout out to cash. Cash transactions are always better than any kind of
yeah.
Like they're trying to make you think like Venmo and PayPal and all that shit is good. That shit is just leaving a digital trail.
Yeah, it is.
You know what? Just making jobs easier for cops.
It is.
When you pay for weed, when you pay for drugs, pay for it in cash.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Nah, it's mad convenient to buy shit with debit cards and everything, but like
That's the thing. The more
cash is
convenient
way-
something is, you have to wonder, why is it more convenient? Who is it making it easier for? My Illuminati, my soul and body, use
body.
your third eye,
You know what I'm
God.
saying? Even if there's not a convenience fee, there's a convenience fee.
Oh yeah,
You know what I'm
convenience
saying?
fee is your soul.
That's right. Cool.
All right. Oh, I'm sorry. You want to use Apple Pay? Yeah, sure. Fill out this form right
Yeah, go
here.
ahead.
Yeah. So you get the mark of the
ahead.
beast.
Yeah.
666 in Revelations.
Oh, you
on
missed
your
that part
head.
in the end user license agreement?
Welcome to the Illuminati. Welcome to your death camp.
Death.
That's right. If you use your debit card on Seamless, you're helping FEMA build death camps. I said it.
Damn, female death camps? FEMA built that camp?
Yes.
Did FEMA build Guantanamo? Who built Guantanamo?
I think Halliburton or something.
Halliburton?
Probably.
Damn,
I don't
shout out
know.
to Halliburton.
I don't know. You should know. You're Puerto Rican. You're on the Guantanamo Bay, right?
Yeah.
How come DR don't got a Guantanamo? We're like the islands. Were they like bidding to who Guantanamo Bay?
Who gets the rock on Guantanamo
I'm
Bay?
mad Jamaica didn't get Guantanamo Bay.
I mean, they should have given it to Jamaica.
We could
You know
have
what I'm
been
saying?
lit.
It would have been popping out there.
You not have, listen, you not have no hunger strike when you smell that good fucking
man. What?
that fucking curry goat and shit.
Ooh, you like-
It's like I know my rights, but ooh,
They give them extra bony curry goat to torture them. And shit.
why so much bone, no
Yeah.
meat?
Oh, why would you curry goat these guys?
Give you more bones if you tell us about the operation on Monday.
Niggas choking on bones like, no,
dry.
I never tell.
It's giving them the wild gunga pea soup in 90-degree weather with no water. That was always me and my mother would always fight about that because on like Sunday and Saturday it was like the big cooking day in West Indian families, and my mother would always make like the big pot of soup. Didn't matter the temperature outside. Like it'd be like a fucking 100 degrees. You're getting fucking pepper pot soup, just scalding
Get
your
ready.
fucking interiors. You're like, what drink of this?
My mom made the wild sancocho the other day because it was below 75 degrees.
There you go.
I was like, yo, mom, this is mad unnecessary right
Where
now.
you're blowing on the soup, but the soup is literally hotter.
It's just bouncing back onto your face
Yo.
like,
And I said to her, I was like, because I'm a little kid, I'm rude. I'm like, why we don't get a drink with soup? And she was like, soup is a drink, so you don't get a drink with soup. And I was like, nah, that's not how it works.
Damn.
I was like, that's too. You could give me a drink, like.
I mean, to be fair, I did have like rice on the side. I would just dump mad rice in it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? To make it like a substantial.
Does Heather make your traditional ethnic foods?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She did the wild fucking boot camp with my mom's and
Yeah.
shit. And she
Did she
learned
put
how
her-
to cook in the West Indian mom way because nothing is measured.
Right.
You know what
Oh,
I'm
she's
saying? It's
doing-
just everything is just like
So she
like
puts her
by eye.
Caucasian foot in it.
You know what I'm saying? She made it happen. You know what I'm
Yeah?
saying? It's mad funny because a long ass time ago when she first tried to make like moto, which is like rice with beans and like meat and shit or whatever. She sent me a picture of it. She's like, this is mad swaggerless. Verbatim. She's like, I made rice and it's very swaggerless. I was like, all right. I was like, yo, damn. I was like, try again.
Shout
She got
to
it
her.
though. She got it though.
Yeah,
Shout out to
listen,
you.
she made
Made it
that
happen.
fried chicken when I came through. It was,
Yeah,
it was popping.
you know what I mean?
I wasn't
The
mad.
cornbread and
I was
shit.
mad, but I wasn't mad. I was like, look at this fucking racist.
The cornbread was delicious. Honey cornbread.
I didn't partake. I was like, this is a bit much. Just get into some root shit. I don't know if they brought me here for some cockroach shit.
Oh my god.
I was like, yo. Shout out to Heather. Shout out to Heather, all the Heathers of the world.
Yo, shout out to y'all.
Shout out to y'all for pausing the Hamilton mixtape to listen to this. I looked at the Hamilton mixtape. I'm actually surprised. Tragedy Gaddafi's on there. Cormega. Smooth the Hustler.
Yo.
Drag On.
Drag
It's
On.
very East Coast centric.
Drag out his eyes still.
I spit these bars to make
Make your
Hamilton
head
shake.
Wait a minute, take. I seen him on YouTube wilding a while ago. Oh shit, Megan Kelly says Roger Ailes sexually harassed her for months.
Wow. They set bail for the dude that killed the two cops.
Word? At what?
A $10 million bail.
Oh,
And
wow.
shout out to Breaking News. They didn't even call him a cop killer. They was like, police shooter.
Wow.
Wow, your man is charged with 2 degrees for the listen, because we're on TV now, I have to button this. I have to give you an intro. I have to give you an intro, and I have to reference who we are talking about for fair usage.
Right.
So, Scott Michael Green, who was charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder in the deaths of Urbandale police officer Justin Martin and
killed
Des
him.
Moines police sergeant Anthony Toney.
He killed him.
He killed them. He didn't shoot them. He killed them niggas. You know, they said,
Damn.
wow. Yo, watch whiteness work.
Yo, I feel like he could start a Kickstarter and people would.
He would.
You know what I'm saying? But it's funny because I don't see no Blue Lives Matter coming out for this.
Blue Lives Matter is quiet. Blue Lives Matter is not a proactive organization. They come
You know what I'm
out when, you know, these are on sale? All right, cool. They just come out to troll Black Lives Matter. That's all it is. Like the idea that you would come out, like someone says Black Lives Matter, you're like, no, fuck that. All lives matter. It's, you know, that's not cool.
Yo, I was gonna say shout out to Blue Lives Matter, but no, shout out to y'all.
Blue Lives Matter is
Or
not even a
speak
real
up-
thing.
Speak right now.
Blue Lives Matter is used right now. It's safer to be a cop than it's ever been in the history
yeah,
of
course.
America.
Hell yeah.
But you know what? They got the Blue Lives Matter. And the thing is, like, 2 of them died, and everyone's like, you're killing. There's a war on cops. The CMAs, they're talking about Beyonce is killing cops.
Beyonce's killing cops?
They're not
No,
even like
Beyonce's slaying cops.
She's slaying cops. T-Report.
That's right.
Slay. That bitch came to slay. Shout out to Beyonce killing the CMAs. That's what she did. She turned up at y'all little tired ass little concert, your little awards, whatever, country music. Y'all got y'all got banjos and shit. That shit is not lit.
Whatever.
That shit is mad whack. All right. Everybody there look like Tommy Lorraine. They got the little cheap blonde extensions. You know what I mean? They get their little dresses at little like 35th Street with gospel singers and shit.
Got little shit there.
They get the little spandex, the little glitter. You know what I'm saying?
rainbow.
Shit was and then Mother Bay came through. All right. She slayed it. Had all you bricks gagging. All right.
Yeah.
Listen, all right? She walked through it. I was like, yo, get off the cross, Mary, and let someone else use the wood because I am dead. I am dead, all right? The rest of y'all are flops.
Yeah.
That's the T report.
Yeah.
This is Jesse Jesus.
Oh, my God.
Signing off.
Oh, my God. Yo, Kendall Jenner's birthday gift. It's pretty. Yo, get the fuck out of here.
But you getting out? What's she doing now?
Kendall Jenner's got something for her birthday.
It seems like it's her birthday all the time.
All the fucking time.
She's still with, is that the one that's with Tigger?
No, that's the other one. The one that people are like, yo, shout out to fucking, we got a late night show. You know what I'm saying? There's other late night shows out there that are not as good.
That's kind of ridiculous.
what I'm saying?
If you stop and think about it.
Yeah,
the fact that we have a late night show.
We do. But I just saw other late night shows. They do mad dumb shit. They bring out animals. You know what I mean? Like, why would you bring out animals? Who cares about? I don't care about. Why would you bring a jaguar to the set?
I mean, that's
Is that cool?
I mean, do you guys remember on the show Louis
Yeah.
with Louis C.K.?
Yeah.
Remember there was that whole...
Which one? The first one or the second one?
The original one.
The original?
Where they had that whole arc about he was going to replace like David Letterman or some shit, and he was going through the motions with CBS, and it was like some... when I first saw that, I was like, wow, is this what it's really like? And like, he had to prove that he could be funny to some old-ass white guy. And the guy was like timing him. He was like, that joke didn't come fast enough. And that's the people who pick. You know what I'm saying?
That's true.
That's why we got our deconstructed late night.
That's right.
We on Viceland.
You know what I'm saying? There's no carbs. We just wrap it in lettuce and
You know what I'm
eat it.
saying? It's gluten. It's like, shout out to our sandwiches from Han. You know,
Huh?
you know what I'm saying? Miro gets his lemonade, his meatballs, his cookies.
What?
We out here.
Tates, shout out to Tates. Y'all can send those.
Are you all right? Is your
No, I
leg?
just seen two. What you cop there, guy? You got two little Nike. It was like nigga make the kid do with the sexy hand. Two Nike boxes.
Oh, I'm still broke. That's how you can tell I got that broke mentality. I saw you looking down on the floor, and I was like, yo, there's definitely a rat in here. I was like, fuck. I was like, I thought we made it. I thought Red Bull was a clean place. There's no rats at Red Bull Studio. Also, if there was a rat in here, that should be mad brolic.
Matt, yo, you kidding me?
That nigga wouldn't even like bother us. He'd be doing like the wild CrossFit.
He'd be like, yo, what's good? What's good? Nigga have the two big ass ropes. Like,
yo, what's up? What's up?
poppin'?
Just strengthening my core.
Yeah, you know,
Yo,
working on
gains.
my-
It's all about gains and shit. I'm gonna see you at the flu tag.
Working on my traps, man.
Oh shit! It's these. Oh shit!
Oh, what's good,
Chipotle
yo?
and
What up?
Pate Superova.
Yeah, yo, what's good,
I
yo?
was listening to your podcast while I was riding my mountain
yeah,
bike
what's
in
up,
Dubai
man?
the other day. I rode it down the top of the mountain.
Yeah, it was lit.
It was lit. Oh man, have you tried out the new yellow Red Bull?
Whoa, it's so
Whoa,
good, bro. It's like
bro.
citrus, man. It's
Bro.
like tropical.
Man, I sat down on like a mouse trap and shit, and the shit tried to snap my neck, and I
What?
laughed, and then I just did like 200 deadlifts, man.
Fuck
Fucking
yeah.
rip. Red Bull gives you wings.
Fuck.
Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm gonna do some street lunging down Madison. Catch you later, bro.
Peace. Do you even lift? Yo, shout out to fucking Brolic Swirls.
Brolic
Rats.
Swirls and Rats. That's the official sponsor of the Red Bull now. Get
I
rid
see-
of. Oh, you know what? They need a Red Bull in here. They need an actual. No. You know what? If they've been.
Bull that's red?
I feel like Red Bull doesn't really need help.
Anything. They got
I
niggas
don't-
jumping off of satellites.
No one in the Red Bull studio is like, damn, what are we gonna do? Like Red Bull is like, yo, here you go.
Yeah, do
Here
this.
you go. You want to be awake? Buy our shit.
Okay.
All right.
You be
Go
good.
buy that other shit. You'll be back.
You
Go
don't
buy
want to
that,
drink that.
Go buy that Nicki Minaj and Jay-Z song named beverage. All right.
Oh, I thought you were about to say Nicki Minaj came out with an energy drink, and I was like,
If she did, she would
damn.
kill the game.
Damn.
She would. It would
Yeah?
be like some pink, but it would be like pink and have like mad like artificial shit.
Yeah.
Unlike Red Bull, which is 100% all natural.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not.
It's,
I just made that
It
up.
has taurine. That's why it's called Bull.
Red Bull got fucking elements in it that Neil deGrasse Tyson don't know about. Just drink it. Just drink the
It'll
shit.
give you wings, and it tastes good when you drink rum and Red Bull.
Someone on Twitter was like, "Yo, if you have sex while consuming Henny and Red Bull, woo!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Listen, dog, I don't know if my heart's made for that.
You
my
gotta
heart
ask your
might tapped
doctor.
out.
You
You
gotta
gotta ask your doctor first. Go to your doctor, like, yo,
Is my heart healthy enough for sex?
I'm trying to blow up the pussy tonight, so I was just trying to wonder, Red Bull and Henny, is that like a safe combination or not?
You think this young image should just be like, ooh, yo,
Yo.
why you all in my office speaking sexually?
Here, take this strap. She's gonna open a special
the rock
container.
cock.
I got the rock cock. All right, I call this one Rikers
You know what I
because
mean?
you're gonna be doing hard time. We're coming out with a line of straps.
Yo, that'd be lit.
That would be lit.
We coming out
I
with.
feel like no one is really embracing the lesbianic community.
Yeah, they're not.
Like we got to.
we,
Like
Eminem's the only one.
When in porn, I'll be looking at the straps. They got too many straps on the side. This shit's not
Yeah,
aerodynamic.
man. Yeah, it's not.
Girls be, they be hitting other girls with the weak dick.
Yeah.
You can't be hitting people with weak strap dick.
No.
All right.
You have to- you have
That's
to
the
do
one
with
thing.
the
You got
wild-
the strap. You got to go.
pull the string bottle.
Yeah. Don't have the shit. The shit is angled down and shit.
Come
All right.
on.
You gonna blow that shit up. Blow
Nah.
that shit up.
You need some shit that rotate.
Go look at the Pinky strap on shit when Pinky was like blowing bitches' backs out with her little T-Rex arms. All right.
Yo, Pinky was wild with that.
We're coming with new. We're coming with new shapes.
You know what I mean?
You
All
ever
type
use
of
a?
shit.
You ever use an egg?
Is that one that spins?
We're gonna come out with
New
an egg
shit.
beater strap on.
What?
What?
Niggas ain't ready for that.
Listen,
Beat those ovaries.
Listen, listen. We're gonna do a live show at Henrietta on Hudson's.
You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna demonstrate our straps and
shout
shit.
to Henrietta Hudson.
All right, we're gonna be out there. New straps. It's gonna be like the fucking Apple keynote address. One more thing. These straps are Wi-Fi enabled.
Guess what, guys? We've programmed this to work hand in hand with your Apple Watch or Fitbit.
Wow.
How many strokes are you getting in today?
We removed the headphone jack from these strap-ons.
Huh? Because we're courageous.
Courage. Everyone's like, bravo.
That's beautiful. Yeah.
I'm going to pre-order right now. They took down the Bodega site. I mean, that means something new is coming. Every year we're going to just upgrade. We're not really going to add new features to the strap-on.
Cock pods. It's still wild wireless.
Wireless strap-ons. I'm like, are you tired of straps?
Huh?
How about a
Are you
wireless?
restricted? Are you restricted by your straps?
Yeah.
Do you want a strap with no straps?
Not for nothing. Oh, to be fair though, no, not only lesbians use strap-ons.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
some dudes get the plugging.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
that's true.
So
I mean, okay, yeah.
yeah, I saw a guy on Facebook was saying that he enjoys, getting pegged.
All right.
Listen, we're all riding on horses or strap-ons.
Ride your horse or your strap on, whatever you want to do,
Just out
man.
here.
Just live your life.
Hey.
Yo, Rihanna, come through. She's
Why
gonna
she
hear this
fronting?
eventually. Why you come
She,
on? I
she
know
gotta
you
know about us.
I know you know.
Now it's not like
Come
it's
on.
not like yo, these are just two niggas from the Bronx with
Nah.
a little podcast. Like we got a show.
We're popping.
All right, she seen the tweets.
I know.
I
she
left the
knows.
little kissy face emoji
They
in
all
Sanaya Lathan's Instagram comments
She
yesterday,
knows.
so she better get her
Yeah.
shit together.
If she know about
because what's
French.
about to happen is I'm about to lap these chicks, and when they come through, like, oh Jesus, I didn't see. I'm like, get out of here.
What? You bugging.
I've been slow cooking a little shorty on Instagram that only got 200 followers.
Oh.
She's been out there in the farm league, and I'm
Okay.
ready.
Ready to call her up?
I'm ready to call up.
Oh, shit.
Y'all missed your
I'm
chance.
saying she's coming up to the bigs.
Coming up. Coming up with the Jabba Chamberlain rules.
Yeah, she's on a low pitch count.
Yes. It's a new arm. I can't break it.
You know what I mean? Yo, Shorty's just coming off Tommy John, Tommy Choach.
She's gonna be in La Marina in 2 seasons. You wait. Everyone's like, I can't wait. Heard they got a young stud.
Oh,
It's
man.
coming up.
Oh, have you seen her boomerangs on Instagram?
I've heard she's doing at least 3 hookahs in an event.
Shout out to, there's so much shit that's motherfuckers are just make everything shorter and shorter now. It's so ill to me because like I remember when Twitter was like, nobody's gonna do this. Like this is just what are you writing a sentence? You're just writing sentences like little short messages over and over again. This is dumb. Blah blah blah. And now I'm looking at a fucking 1 second loop of a dude writing graffiti. You know what I'm saying? So
Is it a boomerang?
yeah.
Listen, they don't know what the internet is great,
Yeah.
but people don't know how to. Excuse me. People don't know how to cash out and make money off of great shit on the internet.
Right.
Now, Viceland though,
Ah!
Viceland figured that shit
You know how
out.
to make it happen.
All right.
Shout out to y'all.
'Cause now I'll do what I want.
Hey.
No, but because that's how Twitter killed Vine. They had Vine on the East Coast office. Twitter is on the West Coast. They wasn't talking. They came out with programs that conflicted with each other. Also, people don't remember, like, Twitter went on this little Russell Westbrook shit very early in the game. It was like, because back in the day, like, Twitter used to let other applications fuck with it.
Cook on this shit, right?
Cook on this shit. You like use this shit. You could send like you had like macros. Like I remember I had that Tumblr, and the Tumblr worked through a script that basically anything I viewed on anything I viewed on regular while browsing
Okay.
the internet or on Twitter, I could just drag into a folder, and every night on time, it would just upload everything in that folder to my Tumblr. Like I didn't have to do it at all. So that's why I didn't. No, Tumblr was running itself. I never had to do anything like that, and it was mad cool. And then Twitter broke it, and that's why I stopped doing my Tumblr.
Damn.
Because they stopped the API or some shit about like programs talking directly to Twitter. Because they were like, "Yo, it's our fucking program. We make the rules," and that's kind of why it's dying. Because they don't want to work with other people.
Well,
They don't want to admit that they're not working. Twitter is in season 4 of The Wire.
but let me ask you something. Does opening up Twitter to work with other shit make it more vulnerable?
No.
No?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Because then you have different platforms and different, points of ingress for it, where you can come in and use it for different things. So you can like script out programs. You can embed Twitter into your fucking website and stuff. You could do what you want, but do it your way.
Oh, they
But
killed the embed
You can still
thing?
do it, but you
Oh,
gotta
okay.
do it Twitter's way. Before you could do it any kind of way and change up the shit and
Right.
put formatting on it. But Twitter was like, nah, it's our ball. I don't like these rules. I'm gonna take my ball and go home.
See, that's why we got to go back to Mi Gente page where you can do all kinds of wacky HTML shit.
Miro said it first.
You know what I'm saying?
We are leaving Twitter. We're going back to Mi Gente.
MiGente.com.
Is Mi Gente still around?
Yeah.
I'm mad you knew that. Nope. Wait.
No?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Join the largest Latino American community.
Out here.
Mi Gente. Damn.
It's Black Planet, so Black Planet's still popping.
If Mi Gente is still around, Black Planet is still around, Asian Avenue is
Asian
still
Avenue?
around. Asian Avenue didn't get that much love.
They didn't.
It got a lot of love with the Asian community. They knew about
I
it.
had a page on all them shits to TBH because I was out here trying to make it happen.
Damn, there's really people out here updating their Black Panther page. It says, what's new on Black Panther? Brown Girl Blue said, boy, I needed this day off. Long weekend. Tandem Autumn said 1 minute ago, ladies, please don't think all men on social media are desperate or thirsty. I could prop your pics today and not remember them tomorrow.
Wow.
Damn.
Okay. But now this is basically a dating site. This isn't even social media anymore because people like this shit is so washed that it's like if you're going there to try to get laid.
Really? Because Fighting Gamer disagreed because he had this hot take. He said, what's the point of girls telling me men online how freaky they are? If they're really mean, they're just freaky like that to these men to get into relationships they're married to. The way they tell these stories make it sound like they're freaky like that to random guys. That's exactly the kind of stuff I talk about. There's too much wrong with the way girls do things. And when I try to correct them, they don't want to hear it.
Wow.
And let me finish with this hot take from
Fuego.
Crystal Hogan, who subs somebody but doesn't realize you can't sub people on Black Planet because no one on Black Planet.
Nobody's there.
I hate being sick. No one to take care of me. LOL. You ain't LOL.
Wow.
You really going through it.
Your boyfriend's on Twitter pulling up in some bitch's DMs right
you-
now.
My girl ain't on social media.
Fuck out of here.
He running reckless on Twitter. Like he DMing chicks, putting the eyes under like
on.
the post big finds page and shit, liking nudes. He posted fucking vines of like people getting their backs blown
Come
out.
on.
His girl log in like, I'm just go. You know, you want to act up? I'll be on BP.
Niggas talking directly to Pino, bitch. It's like, can't wait to see you.
Can't wait, yo.
Can't wait to see you at Exotica.
I can't wait. Yo, how much for an in call? She don't see none of that.
Yeah.
She like, whatever. I'm gonna just check my guest book.
Whatever. My G book is lit.
Wow, Black Panther got an app? Nah.
Stop.
I don't want to be at that point in life where like someone goes through my phone, they be like, nigga, you got a Black Panther app?
What the fuck?
How old are you?
What the fuck?
That shit come with a Crown Royale dust bag and brown sandals. Do you remember? That's your notification. Do you remember?
You can only listen to your messages via Bluetooth.
Oh, let me check my Black Planet email.
Hold on.
Oh, sorry, y'all. I didn't turn off the notifications.
Yo. September.
Oh man.
Oh god.
Oh man. They killed the president.
What?
No, they didn't.
Nah.
Would I report it like that?
Nah.
Shout out to Walter Cronkite, who got he has the Google shit today, the Google Doodle.
Oh yeah?
They never did the Google Doodle for us. I'm just saying.
Because they're corny. Yo.
No, don't shout out to Walter Cronkite because he was a puppet of the minister.
Vietnam regime?
Yeah, he was lying, saying like the war was going bad. He was doing some of that discrediting of American forces.
Ooh.
Just putting that out
Ooh.
there.
But yeah, I mean, if you watch every Vietnam movie, the war was going bad.
Was it? We don't know. We weren't there.
I mean, I believe the guy in front of the bodega.
I mean, I don't know. I used to read a comic book called The Nam or something like
Nam?
that, and it was
Yeah.
a comic book that took place in Vietnam.
Vietnam?
I don't think America. Well, we shouldn't have been in there or some shit.
Yeah,
but
absolutely not.
I feel like, and we had like shit was. This is actually not commentary about Vietnam. This is actually a embedded ad for Battlefield 1.
Yo, holla.
So
Is
be sure
Battlefield
to-
one side of Vietnam?
No, it's like everywhere else.
Is that shit out?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm at the cop.
I heard this
lit?
shit is popping.
Yeah, I'm
this
about
shit
to
is lit. If you want to like, play old school war and shit.
Yeah, I like that.
I hope it's lit like literally lit, not like I get shot and then like my character's on the fucking ground for 3 minutes while my leg turns gangrenous.
You gotta crawl to the fucking base and shit. Like,
See, I love all that like old school war shit, but I like the new gun.
Yeah.
I want to fire off one shot every 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I want to run through my clip like. I want that shit like a panda ad-lib.
Man, shells falling everywhere. Fuck out of here. That's why I like the older Call of Duties because it's like mid 90s 2000s guns.
Yeah, they gotta find that sweet spot. You can't be too old.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like all that musket shit. You know, like that's not cool. And then the future shit is like,
Yo, come on.
my nigga, I'm not trying to hack a drone. I just
Really?
want to shoot a nigga in his Wigginton.
Why do I want to? I don't want to shoot a laser into a satellite, nigga. Like, nah.
That was the problem. That's what was wrong with Gears of War 4 when we played it for Waypoint, the new vertical on our mother station, Viceland. Be sure to check it out. It's all about video games and the lifestyle of a millennial.
That's right.
No, but the problem with Gears of War 4, the gun felt mad light.
Right.
There was no kickback for the guns because
yeah.
Call of Duty when you fire off the cow,
yeah.
you feel that
That's
shit in the
like
controller. Like
yeah.
you feel like you earned some shit. Like when you get a headshot.
Oh, that's right. I didn't notice that.
Yeah, when you get that feeling when you get a headshot, it's like like that metal thing. You're like, yo, I earned that. I killed somebody. They're not going home to their mother. They're not getting an open casket.
Damn.
They need to make a Grand Theft Auto where you can like kill like an innocent bystander on the street and then they show you like what happens in their real life and shit.
Wow.
Like they show the wife like looking through the window like is he coming home?
Oh my god.
Coworkers like where's Bill had a presentation?
Damn, that's bad sad.
And then it's just like the kids like what happened to dad? And it shows like the news like man was murdered in La Ventura Avenue by madman. They show a picture of you.
Meanwhile, you're just in your car like fucking
You're listening to it
all.
all shit like yo.
Driving around crashing into random shit.
Imagine if you came back to the spot where you killed an innocent victim in Grand Theft Auto. There was like Botanica candles and shit. In
shit.
Hero. You feel some kind of way.
That would ruin GTA
that would ruin
for you.
the game for you,
Yeah,
right?
you'd be driving mad nicely and shit, like signaling, like, yo, hey, don't
You
want to
look
cause any
over
trouble.
like just their mother on the floor like, oh, Peter, you don't know how close we were. It was my everything. You're like, damn. I just wanted to get $20 out of his pocket.
I don't even like this game anymore.
Damn, this shit's bad real shit.
Damn.
Your character be wild, depressed and shit. They want to pull off missions. Get to the next checkpoint. It's like, why? Life is meaningless.
Come on.
I'm just gonna sitting in a safe house.
Fuck.
Same clothes. Just got that wild beard.
I don't want to go to a strip club.
I don't. Fuck that.
No.
Grand Theft Auto. No. I don't want to live this life of crime.
I
and
don't
shit.
steal anything.
Pager going. I'm not doing crimes. Stop calling me.
Stop.
Stop calling. I don't know. Get your own bricks.
Fuck out of here.
Out of here.
You go to the fucking hospital and try to get a job as an orderly. Just be sitting around pushing
drive
niggas in
to
a
the-
wheelchair like
Just drive to the beach. Your character just look out in the ocean, think about life and shit. Like how many people have I killed? What's the point of this?
what is this?
I mean, I stole a Ferrari and I got to a safe house, but who's gonna steal the Ferrari of my soul?
Come on. Stealing Ferrari is very lit though.
It is. Grand Theft Auto is cool. Only thing better is living it in real life. Go to war with the cops.
Yo.
Go to war with the cops.
Did you see what the war with the cops?
He did.
He said that.
He said it. Straight facts. No made up shit.
He said you could check the newspapers like it really happened.
Yeah.
So it really happened. I guess it really happened.
But not every crime makes the newspapers though.
That's true.
So I got shit I want to brag about. That's not in the newspaper.
I mean, if you didn't get knocked.
You didn't get knocked. That's true. Sometimes you get knocked, it doesn't even make the paper. There might be a regular knocking. You know what I mean?
Some regular basic knocking.
Somebody rocking, knocking the boots.
Shout out to this mix pack slip mat. Say that 3 times fast.
Shout out to Mixpack. They working on a new country album for the CMAs next year.
It's gonna be lit.
Fuck that nigga Wiz Khalifa. And fuck that bull bitch Amber Rose. It's Popcorn, the boss and unruly god. At the Sound Clash with Jubilee. Fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Hey, dog, I really don't understand. Like, y'all disrespected me last time at O2 Arena, dog. Now you're doing it again at the Honky Tonk Pavilion in Tennessee, dog. I'm really upset now.
Fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Damn,
I'm
dog.
riding down the highway in my horses.
Bruh, like, why are y'all doing this? Yo, Juicy J, can you talk to them?
Shut the fuck up! We're going to host the first ever Red Bull Sound Clash in Nashville.
Oh, I can't wait.
Who's on our team?
At the Grand Ole Opry.
We got.
Is that what that is?
Yes.
Right? Oh, shit.
It's gonna be us, Dolly Parton.
Yo.
Who sings Elvira? Is that Alabama?
Oh, man. I have no idea.
Of course.
My knowledge of country is so limited.
I looked at you like you would know that, but no.
I might have.
Who else we gonna have?
How does the rest of the
Elvira is
country
written by it's the Oak Ridge Boys.
Okay.
So we're gonna have them. We're gonna have Romeo Santos,
Shout out to them.
Young M.A.
Yo, is Patsy Cline country?
Yes.
Right? Okay. That's the only country I've ever heard, really.
My father had a weird obsession with Patsy Cline.
Yeah?
Yes.
Shout out to him.
But Jamaicans love country music.
Country music?
West Indians, and it's very similar. Think about it, it's like a slow melodic thong, like
Right. My mom really likes Simon and Garfunkel. She has Simon and Garfunkel greatest hits on Decky on a cassette.
Wow! I am triggered by any Simon and Garfunkel song because that just meant like it was cleaning time at my house.
Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Coffee, tea, rosemary, and thyme.
I am the rock. I am the man.
That's right, nigga. We doing Simon and Garfunkel.
Simon and Garfunkel.
Yeah, we should just go hit Vegas and do Simon and Garfunkel's greatest hits until he sue us. Until he sue us.
A man walks down the street. He says, "Why am I soft in the middle now?" Ooh, I be my bodyguard. I can be your long lost pal. And if you call me Betty, and Betty, if you call me, you can call me out. Oh God, why do I know these? I'm sure this.
You know why? Because it's the sounds of silence. No shit. Sound of silence. Clue. Oh, nigga, Simon and Garfunkel. Nah, stop.
Sound of Silence, Young M.A. remix.
Whoa. Damn, son, where'd you find this?
In my mother's record collection.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, shout out to childhood trauma and just contemporary listening. I also didn't understand where Paul Simon was getting all those Africans that were dancing behind him.
Yo.
I thought he had like a program where he was getting them out of South Africa because I knew South Africa was wild fucked up.
Right.
Like I didn't really understand what apartheid was, but I figured that shit was a slavery all over again.
Right.
So I figured in my head as a child,
Yo, he's saving them.
every time he would perform, he would just like take like 5 black people from South Africa,
Sneak them out.
sneak them out,
Like
and just keep
the new Underground Railroad?
Yeah, Paul Simon. I thought Paul Simon was Schindler's List for black people.
Yo, Paul Simon ran the new Underground Railroad, man.
Facts. Change his Wikipedia page to say that.
Yo.
Straight facts,
Yo,
B.
he snuck people out of South Africa 5 at a time. And had them dancing and playing drums.
Ooh, ooh,
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh.
Yeah, shout out to Paul Simon. World music ass nigga.
How much is Paul Simon worth? Off the top of your head right now.
Bruh. 150 million. Just the
How
catalog.
much you say?
I'm gonna go with 400.
400 mil?
Simon
Right.
from the Beatles. Wait,
For, no, Paul Simon.
for-
From Simon and Garfunkel.
Simon and Garfunkel.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna give him like, god damn, because that music library.
Do they own their publishing? That's very important.
Yeah.
They,
That-
they, oh,
You know what I'm saying?
I'm not,
Y'all both gonna be disappointed.
How,
20 million.
45 million.
wow, really?
That's some broke boy shit.
Damn.
Not that I got 45 million, but
I just remember them using Away, Mrs. Robinson.
well, that's the other thing.
fucking Wayne's World.
They won't clear samples for like rap songs and shit. So,
See, you fucking.
see, that's
you're
what
a
you
dick.
fucking because it's art.
Yeah,
It's art. You can't do that.
you can't. Well, actually, if it was art, then you would appreciate somebody being influenced by your art and doing their own version of what you know what I'm saying, set forth. Cornball.
I mean, listen,
That's what hip-hop's
we're gonna
all
be like
about.
that. Actually, no, I am wrong. They do let people sample.
Oh,
their
okay. Oh,
things.
sure. So, but that's we take it back. Shout out to y'all.
Because Eminem sampled it, Common and Bilal.
Oh, I think you said Eminem, and if you would have just said Eminem, I would be like, nah.
Eminem sampled it, 50 Ways featuring Paul Simon, but it wasn't a sample. Like he had him
had
on
him
the track or shit. Like
How much did
he?
he pay for that?
Eminem.
How much did he pay for that?
Skibbity-weeby.
Skibidi-doo. I'm with Paul Simon and me too. Art Garfunkel's in the house. Whoopity-boo.
Flip flop on the Hyman. Just me and Paul Simon. Then I injected heroin like Phyllis Hyman.
Whoa.
Wow. Skibbity-weeby.
Hey, 20 shrooms. I'm a fucking goon. Whoa, kick Rihanna in the church.
Everybody, let me see your smile. Everybody on the left, come 29 miles.
Whoa.
Yay! Rabbit, mom spaghetti. Eminem slander on Decadent.
Y'all, I know y'all hated it.
Y'all
but
tight
love
out
it.
there. Y'all like, he's gonna be racist on white. He's gonna be racist on Viceland. He says F-150s are racist cars. Now they're making fun of Eminem. That's like a trifecta. I'm taking your sacred cows.
That's it.
On it.
I had enough,
You know
bro.
what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just have spices on the set for no reason, just to make y'all mad.
About to be tight.
Gotta make the man.
About to be tight.
But
low key, they're like, yeah, we fuck with y'all because y'all fucking Paul Simon.
Breaking news. If your girl's been to any NBA games, no, that's not the thing. Now, shout out to the blackface manager, Andre Shoriki,
The guy about the ring?
manager at the Cheesecake Factory in Rochester, New York, who showed up at a Halloween party
Like Colin Kaepernick.
like Colin Kaepernick.
In a baby.
In a
Dressed as a baby.
Dressed as a baby and some pompas and a black face and a little binky. Well, breaking news. Coming from hot off the presses. Cheesecake Mail. Cheesecake Factory said this person involved in this incident is no longer employed by our company. This behavior is inappropriate and is against our values.
Ooh, it's lit.
Woo.
Shout out to him.
How you lose your job at Cheesecake Factory, nigga?
Fucking cornball.
How you lose? Come on, man.
All for fucking Halloween because you want to make 2 niggas laugh with your Halloween costume. You fucking clown.
What were you thinking when you put on blackface?
Come on. That's a process, B. You have plenty of time to think about that while
Yeah,
you're doing it because
yeah.
it takes half an hour at least to put all that shit on your face. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We just get anti-shine and it should be taking 20 minutes.
I mean, listen. Like, imagine you have a coworker you don't like, and you see them walk into the Halloween party with blackface. You're like, woo!
It's lit,
Looking
lit,
good,
it's
Miss
lit.
Johnson.
Hey, that's funny.
Brenda, you killing it, girl. Yo, I know you in accounts receivable, but I did not know you was like a professional costume maker and stuff.
you know?
Girl, can I put you on my gram?
Come on, come here.
That costume is so... How'd you think of that?
Yeah, right?
That is just... Yo, you
Come
are
here,
so
get in this
funny.
pic. Come
Get
on.
this pic.
No, don't. No, I'm not
Nah,
gonna be
I don't
in
want to be in
it.
the picture.
No,
I'm
I'm
going
gonna
to
take
take
it
the
to you.
picture.
Yeah, because it's good. I
Girl,
want to show
how
people.
much work you put in that?
A lot of work. Right?
Wow. I like the binky. That's a nice little
Yeah,
touch.
look, right?
No, come over here in the light so we can
Oh.
see your whole face.
Oh, it doesn't smudge? Oh, wow, that's so nice.
Oh, wow. You use actually pine tar.
Oh.
You were really committed to this.
Oh my god.
All right.
Pine tar.
Oh, no, I don't have no Twitter. I don't really fuck with social media like that. I'm just on Black Planet.
Pine tar is mad triggering to me because I'm a Yankee fan and Michael Pineda was out here.
Do you know pine tar is good for your hair? Are you all right?
I had something wild in my eye.
I saw. I don't know what's
Wild
going on.
eyelash.
No, pine tar, like, it makes your hair grow. My sister used to have pine tar in their hair products.
Stop.
And it's
Actual
straight
pine-
up pine tar. You smell it. That shit stinks, but it makes your hair grow.
Really?
Yeah.
The shit for bats? No way.
Yes.
That shit smells awful, B.
You guys know nothing about, like, hair and shit? Like,
I don't even know.
pine tar hair products, yes.
Damn.
Bronner Brothers makes pine tar super grow hair.
Oh shit.
That's how you get your edges laid. T-Report,
My
you
sister
put some
just-
fucking pine tar on your edges so you don't look like, you don't have the dead edges. All right, you know what I'm saying? And you got like the little fucking toothbrush, you know what I'm saying? DK, whatever. And you lay down your little waves.
You finesse your shit?
You finesse your shit, and then you go to Hostess, and you'll be like, yo,
Damn.
I'm
that's
here for
wild.
community college, and you look at my fucking baby hairs and shit, Brenda.
That's-
Okay, and you know, because your shit is not laid like
Fuck
this.
out of here.
Shout out to all my old crackheads that still got their
My
baby
sister
hair
just had like
popping.
a tub of like some black shit,
That might be pine tar.
but it didn't smell. It smelled
Oh
like
no! If it was pine tar, you definitely would
Yeah.
know. You definitely would know.
Yeah.
Did your sister have something that smells like watermelon?
yeah.
Slick stuff.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
And mad pink shit.
Luster sheen.
Yeah.
Woo!
Mad
The
pink
official
shit.
smell of old black people.
Yo.
That and old Jet magazines and dentist magazine. Yo, I used to collect Jet magazines.
My mom
Beauty of the
swears
week.
by that shit, man.
I used to think that was like porn. I used to think that was porno. Just a light skinned woman in a 2-piece bikini. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna beat my meat to this. As soon as I know what the fuck beating my meat is. Just rub it against a pillow like,
Oh,
is this how you do it?
This feels funny.
I'm jerking it. No, the first time you really realized what masturbation is, you're
Oh,
like,
yo. Oh,
nigga, I lost a 3-day weekend.
Fam.
I was in my room like,
Yo.
I was like, yo, Sega to the side, like, nigga.
Oh, bust out that JCPenney catalog.
Listen, move over, bacon. Here comes something meteor. I was out here, like, yo.
That's wild because that's when you're like mad young and you're just like, yo, I'm
don't
just
know.
beating off 100 times.
Right.
Like, yo, until you're just like, oh, ouch.
You don't know. It's sore. You can't touch it and shit. You can't even go outside. You can't wear pants. Your dick just hurt. Your dick is just throbbing like, wah, like radioactive. Like, what happened? I discovered how to jerk off, nigga.
Yo, jerked off 20 times, nigga, one day.
Yo.
Shit was wild.
Yo.
Jerked off 4 times in the shower. Waste
So,
all the hot water.
it's like saying a word over and over and over. Shit loses all meaning. Start learning places to put your dick to put it in the shower head.
like, oh, shit, what?
Oh, how's this feel?
Oh, what?
You don't even think normally anymore. You looking at a vacuum like,
Fucking shit out this vacuum.
yo. So wait, that shit sucks.
What? All right, bad.
Nigga, fucking pies and shit. Fucking cocoa butter.
Yo, the fleshlight was invented because some dude had a broken flashlight
Yeah.
and started fucking the shit.
Listen,
You know what I'm saying?
They removed them D batteries and put in that D instead. Nigga tipping his dick top and took
what I'm
that
saying?
spring at the bottom.
Yo,
Like, ow,
y'all be
ow,
wild.
ow, ow,
Hey,
ow,
hey,
ow. It hurts, but
Yo, fuck it. It's lit.
it's lit.
Damn, that's terrible. Yo, there's bad, wild sex toys out there for dudes. Like, dudes are just finding all
Until I
types of
lived
ways to
with a
jerk
chick,
off.
I didn't know chicks jerked off all the time like that. Like,
they-
wow, illy.
Yeah.
Like
But
you
then, man,
don't think about it because like you'll be talking to a chick on Twitter, you'll be like, oh, she's so demure, blah blah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but she out there rubbing her clit all wild, like
Nigga Grandmaster Flash on that shit.
Ugh. Go like,
Nigga, like she's at the
Arab
like she's at
music.
fucking DMC. Nigga, like fick.
She out there.
Doing crab scratches and shit.
I'm like, that's not ladylike. You should be doing that.
Fucking DJ Crazy on that church.
How dare you take matters into your own hand and pleasure yourself? That's not what women do.
Yeah.
Just out there like
Well, you know they recommended that for hysteria back
For
in the
hysteria.
day. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
When your woman gets hysterical, you just take 2 fingers, you put it up there like, yo, calm down. Calm down. We are in public. We are Palisades Mall. Calm down.
Calm down.
What's wrong with you?
Do I need to get the leeches?
Stop it. Stop it, all right?
Speaking of leeches, shout out to that dude. I know you've seen this video of the guy who just lets animals bite him.
No, I've
like
not seen
the
that video.
insects or like whatever. It's a weird dude with like a Hive, holla at me. A dude with like a Jack Hanna ass like safari guy hat, and he just lets like the wasp with the most poisonous sting. Like he puts the shit in a cup and he puts the shit on his arm and lets it sting him. Or et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. That shit is fucking wild. Go watch that if you smack.
I can't. This is not a visual art, but I like to play a game where I watch a video on Live Leak.
Okay.
And I show it to Miro. and I get
boy.
his live reaction.
Oh, here we go. Oh, is this a forklift, my nigga?
So this is a forklift.
Oh, this is a good one.
This is a good one. Here we're in China.
Oh, say no more.
All right, let's just watch.
What is about the? Oh, shorty behind this guy? Nah. Oh, there's two. Why is my man sitting on the back of the?
I got. Don't worry. I got it. I got it.
Oh shit! Yo, shorty. Yo, she didn't roll. Why didn't you roll, ma? See? You don't watch enough Van Damme movies. Nah, she's a body, my nigga. Are you stupid? Yo, that shit. Yo, these niggas are checking like they're gonna pick the forklift up.
They're like Brenda, you alright? Brenda, you alright?
Yo!
If you want to know the name of the video, go on Live Leak. It's called "Woman Crushed to Death While Trying to Balance Forklift."
Nah. See?
Start your day with that. Every day I start my day with someone dying on Live Leak, so I know
Wow.
that life is cheap. And
Wow.
we need to appreciate that we're here and then listen to March Madness while we can.
Damn. You know, Super Mario, them big ass blocks that come down and they're like, boom.
Right.
That's exactly what just happened to Shorty.
Listen.
If you don't want to watch the video, if you got a weak stomach, don't make that bird shit.
Listen, Live Leak will have you very. You think your life is bad.
Like-
You watch Live Leak, you be like, "Yo, shit could be very worse."
Every time I watch Live League, I make that Kodak Black meme face, like
Miro always looks at me like, "Yo, you're sick,"
you're a sick fuck.
because he's over here like, and I'm like cracking up, like I'm laughing like Muttley and Wacky
Yeah.
Races, like.
Bro, I remember these niggas at Viacom, and this nigga's just over here chuckling like fucking Muttley. I look over, I'm like, yo, what is that? Nigga plays a video. It's some drunk asshole standing at the edge of a subway platform with like with the North Face book bag with 85 million straps on it, and the shit gets caught in the train, and your man just gets turned into the wild gyro meat within 15 seconds, and this nigga's like, oh, yo, what the fuck is wrong with you niggas? 10 a.m.
The best thing to do is watch a Live Leak video,
Yeah.
and right where the person dies, you be like, "Got him!"
Although I'm not gonna front, if you watch them like 3 or 4 times in a row, it just
You
becomes like a desensitized.
Yeah.
Like
it's a great
vibe.
icebreaker on the first date.
And thankfully, a lot of these videos are from developing nations and they are not in HD.
Yeah,
So
so
it just
you're
looks
right.
like, you know what I mean, Q-Bert getting smushed. You know what I mean? Shout out to Q-Bert. Remember Q-Bert? You ever play Q-Bert?
Doopy boopy boop. If you have never played Q-Bert, just go watch any of Chris Brown's performances from like 4 years ago. It's the same thing.
It's like, da-doop-boop-da-doop.
Hopping on blocks.
Yo. Oh, man. The block is hot. The block is hot.
Lil Wayne. Apparently, Lil Wayne, he got into that kerfuffle this week.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Because, like he had the interview, he said he wasn't fucking with Black Lives
Yeah.
Matter. But then
He recanted.
Yeah. And now he fired his publishers because he said he didn't want that Nightline interview coming out.
Oh, wow.
Which is-
But, yo, he was fucked up. That's what I'm saying. Like, yo,
You gotta be. I'm saying if you know you're gonna do an interview, you can't be getting wild smacked.
that's what I'm saying. But,
Like,
like,
shout out to Miro. Miro be getting mad smacked, but Miro's not
Yeah.
getting wild smacked
Yeah.
and going to Fader magazine like, yo, I be beating the shit out of my wife.
Or I beat my wife. All lives matter. You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
Legalize crack.
yo, destroy Palestine.
You know what I'm saying? Like, nah,
types
no way.
Wild, fuego, hot takes and shit.
Y'all are wildin'. You know what I'm saying? But like, yo,
Crooked Hillary.
fucking crap. Yo, Fuck.
But he'll do that in an interview and shit.
Yeah.
Just mad space and fader, just like a paragraph of this. Miro actually nodded out during our interview.
Ellipses. Yo, but not okay. So he went back and he was like, yo, whatever. But fam, he's so rich. People forget Lil Wayne has been rich since he was like 13. You know what I'm saying? Like he was a celebrity at like 13 years old. So I mean, I'm not gonna say the normal rules don't apply to him because everybody should be accountable for their actions. You know what I'm saying?
No.
But yo, your man is clearly fucking high out of his mind.
Exactly.
You
He
know what I'm
lives a different life.
Come on.
It was like me this morning. I would go out on the subway. I haven't been on the subway in a while, and I forgot how it worked. You know, I got to the turnstile, and I was like, "Can someone swipe me in, please?"
Yeah, because yo,
I don't. I got to swipe myself.
somebody have to. No, I have the card, but you got to do it.
I have to like physically swipe myself in.
No.
So then I got on like after like 20 minutes, no one helps me. I use my internal strength to swipe my Metro card to get in. I had on my dainty white gloves, so I didn't contract anything.
Ugh.
So I get on what apparently is the I believe it's called the 1 train downtown.
Oh, well.
And I said, "Conductor, sir, would you please inform me when we reach my destination, 18th Street? I'm going to sit here." He told me to go fuck myself.
Hey, he said, "Fuck out of here, pal."
Go the fuck out. Whose fucking man is this?
Yo, what the
Your
fuck?
fucking destination. You sit down, you wait for your fucking destination like all the rest of these gabagools,
You
motherfucker.
believe
Next
this
stop,
fucking
23rd
guy?
Street.
Yo, Tramel, this guy says, "Tell me when my stop is coming up." What a fucking asshole. Yo, my nigga, you serious? The fuck out of here.
So I'm just my feathers are bristled. I'm on the 1 train. I'm clutching my pearls.
Yeah.
And so the concierge comes through the train.
The concierge.
Apparently, however, they're doing some sort of donation-based services, and apparently the snacks that were provided for my transportation seem to go to help some sort of basketball program to purchase uniforms or something.
Very limited selection.
However, the young man, I believe his name was Tramel, he the concierge, he said all he had left was fruit snacks.
Yep.
So I tried to purchase to support these sea urchins in their urban communities and their basketball uniforms. He didn't have change for a 50, and I said I can't support this. Also, I believe some of those products that he was selling were distinctly marked not for
retail sale.
individual sale.
See?
But who am I?
Well, sometimes.
I'm just trying to help out black people.
I mean, I see it. I see you
what?
working.
Black Lives Matter. I bought Alicia Keys' last album.
You did. And shout out to you and her.
Just the
and
other
two
day,
people
it was
that did.
me, Sharice Duran, her son. We were all hanging.
For a second, I was like, "Who the fuck is that?" But then I was like, "Oh, it's these." So I was like, "Oh, Charlize Theron." All right, cool,
Yeah.
cool. Yeah,
I kind of said her name right.
yeah, man.
Shout out to her. She was a young adult. A young adult was a great movie.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch it. It's mad. That if you want to know what Dark Jesus is,
Is
go
it an
watch.
old movie or a new movie?
It's like an old movie, but watch Young Adult, and that is Dark Jesus humor right there.
All right.
Dark as
Oh, it's a comedy.
yeah.
Okay.
Patton Oswalt is in it, and he's like a survivor of like a sex crime or some shit, so he can't walk.
What?
I don't say no more.
Wow.
But
Putting
it's
that on my list.
It's a good movie. That's just mad dark. After it, you gotta smoke when you watch it.
Right.
But when you watch, you're gonna be like, wow.
Yo.
Jesus be thinking some shit. The shit I don't say, the shit I be thinking, y'all don't wanna know. It could get dangerous.
Sit up here. You play games, sticker.
You know why Charlamagne didn't get scared? Because Beanie Siegel did that. He didn't realize he was quoting Darkwing Duck. Darkwing Duck.
Shout out to Launchpad for being in Darkwing Duck and then also being in DuckTales.
Did he lose his job in DuckTales, and that's why he was chilling in Darkwing Duck? He was like unemployed in
Yo.
Darkwing Duck, just hanging out and shit.
Listen, Scrooge was like, "Yo, get the fuck out of
You
here."
know what it is?
You're no
'Cause
longer my
He
helicopter
probably
driver.
did something with the niece.
Wow, that's true.
She running around there with no bottom.
Yeah.
I'm not victim blaming. I'm just saying.
You don't
Huey,
run
Dewey,
around no
Louie,
drawers
and
on.
Daisy, right?
I
Right, or
mean-
some shit.
No, it was three. It was three. Yeah, it was. But there was the three girls too. It was Huey, Dewey, Louie, and then, damn, what was the girls?
There were 3 girls. Okay, there was Huey, there was Louie, Huey, Dewey, and what was it? I'm mad that
Oh yeah, it was the one girl, right? But she was kind of older than them.
Webbigail, Webby, Vanderquack.
Okay. Webbigail.
She often had difficulty being accepted by the boys. She wears a pink shirt and bow tie, resembles a very young Daisy Duck.
Okay.
Now for that, she was cute. She could have got it.
You know who could have got it? Yo, fucking Gadget from Rescue Rangers.
Gadget from yes,
Yeah.
yes, yo.
Man.
Not for nothing. You know, I'll be trying to keep it private out here. My ex-fiance looked like her, and that was a major reason I was attracted to her. And I used to say that shit to her, and she got so fucking mad. I was like, yo, you look like this rat on a cartoon I want to fuck. And that's why she's my ex.
Yeah.
But yeah, that raccoon, like she had the little freckles and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? She also looked. Oh wow, wow. Do I have a type?
And she had
she
the
looked like
wild,
work boo as well. Damn.
She got like, you know, she was curvaceous. You know what I mean? Before when people were body shaming women with curves. You know what I'm saying?
Real women have curves.
Real women have curves.
Okay.
Gadget had curves.
Gadget, and she could fix shit.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? That's a big thing.
Breaking gender stereotypes. She was the mechanic. You know what I'm saying?
She always came up and she had like the wild dirt on her face.
Dirt on her face because
shit.
she was making shit and doing shit. Shout out
at
to her.
Gadget.
Mad empowering.
Look, Gadget could have been an AK.
Yep.
She could have.
Mad light skin.
Look at her. Oh shit.
Man. I just assume, and it's funny because I love that cartoon because I just assumed that they were all like,
Well,
different
I imagine if
shades.
you're black, growing up, you assume cartoon characters were black until it was proven they weren't.
Right.
So I imagine if you're white, you assume they're white. I remember there was an episode of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles where they turned into humans and they turned into white guys, and I was like, "What the fuck
is this?
I was like, I thought they were black. I was like, they get eating pizza, they live in a sewer. That's black. You know what I'm saying?
True.
And we're chasing that white woman.
Exactly. They play April O'Neil a little too close, like a black guy would.
Oh, son. That was always mad bizarre to me because I'm like, yo, which
they
one of these
tryna-
is she fucking with?
Yeah, were they
or
trying
are they
to fuck her?
trizzing?
Or was like April? I wonder if April was. It was like probably like one of those movies where like someone's gay but they don't know it, and there's like that wild tension like before that first kiss.
Yeah.
Like April's there with like the turtles. She's like, yo, I'm attracted to turtles. She's like, I'm gonna fuck one of these turtles. And shit. Like, look at these sexy ass turtle niggas.
Yeah.
With they big black Asiatic
Yeah,
turtle dicks. Yeah. And then this is like there's 4 human-sized turtles.
Yeah.
She can only be attracted to one. Which one is? And then like one of the other 3. You're like, yo, word, that nigga.
But it's weird. It's even weirder because they all look exactly the same except for the bandana.
Yeah.
So if you're
she's just
attracted to one of
the
them,
color,
are you fetishizing us? You know what I'm saying?
It's true.
You know?
She probably went with Donatello because he had the long staff.
You know what I'm saying?
He had the long
Probably.
staff.
Yeah. Then she got caught out there with Master Splinter. They were like, yo, wow. She's like, I'm bi.
I'm bi. I'm trying.
Like,
I'm fine.
I'm trying.
I'll try anything.
I'm pansexual. I'll try anything.
Yo, you'd be mad hurt. You see April O'Neil get her back blown out by Master Splinter. He got his robe
sorry,
open.
I'm your sensei. I'm going to blow this choach away.
I'm like, they eating pizza like, Master Splinter, what are you doing?
Cowabunga, dude.
That's not radical.
No, dude.
Oh, that's bogus.
Bogus, dude. Niggas get on their fucking skateboarding right away.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Not today.
Tristan in the half shell.
Oh, man.
God.
Oh, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Another watch reference. Yeah. Everything we reference here, we should get for free in the mail. So someone's in there.
Shout out there. Yeah, my kids love Ninja Turtles. Some of me mad Ninja Turtles shit.
Oh, they rebooted it?
I feel like they rebooted it 18 times.
All right.
There was that last one that came out, the live action one, to me looked mad whack because they made the turtles look like weird dinosaurs.
And it was like kind of dark or something?
Yeah. Out of the darkness or some stupid. I was like, yo, stop. This shit's for kids, B.
Yeah, don't make it too dark. Don't let kids be kids. Don't make them be all dark teasers.
Like,
That's how I ended up dark like this. 'Cause I was reading like adult shit mad early in life and realized, yo,
You're reading Mouse thinking it was just like a regular like comic book and shit. Like,
Yeah,
wait a
I'm
minute,
like,
why is
what?
this? Why are they
people are
killing
like,
all
what's your favorite book? Oh, my other friends are like, I like Charlie Brown. I like Heathcliff. I'm like, I like Eli Wiesel, Night, about concentration camps. Because it's like, yo, who's this dark ass kid here? They're like, what are you
Damn,
reading?
niggas said Eli
Niggas like, what's your favorite book? I like this Charlie Brown. I have an Archie digest. My favorite book is Native Son by Richard Wright. It talks about the black plight to Chicago. Like, all right. Why do you call yourself Dark Jesus? Because life is meaningless and we're just slumbering down to the end.
Yeah. You know what's wild? When I was working at the school, the kids were assigned a book called Monster to read, and it was about a kid who was like 13 or 14 who got involved in like an armed robbery.
Yeah.
Where the store owner got killed. And this book was basically about his trial and like him being on Rikers and like all this shit. And I was like, these niggas are 11. Like, what's going on right now? Like, we're reading about like a double homicide, armed robbery. Like, these kids are 12.
I think I remember that book.
Is this a cautionary tale?
I think I remember that book.
So a lot of the pages were written in like a diary style.
Yeah.
Because it was him writing in his notebook and shit and trying to like, I don't know if he was trying to rap or some shit, but it's a mad sad story.
There was a book, I can't remember it. It was about like some young hustler in the Bronx or something. We had to read it like, wow.
Oh, Down These Mean Streets?
Down these main streets. Did it have a scene where like they
That was in Harlem though. That was like up like
was there like a jail scene and like they had sex using hair oil?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and then he went to the It was wild. Yeah, like him and his boys went to go run trails.
Yes, I remember this.
On a trans sex worker.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Down Mean Streets by Perry Thomas, a Latino of Puerto Rican and Cuban descent who grew up in El Barrio section. I remember I read that and I was like, wow.
Yo.
I was like, yo, the streets is. I was
Yeah.
like, streets is wild. But I can't wait to get out there and be bad.
Yeah. Yo,
was
but,
like, oh.
but his story's wild. Like, my man went to the Navy, came back, got married, had a kid, did that. Wow. Was the dope fiend for mad long, came back, went to jail. Yo. That's why, listen, when you see Poppy on the fucking 420, he's like, Poppy, let me tell you something.
He got stories.
He got stories.
He been through shit. All right, niggas don't end up. Niggas end up on dope to cope.
Yeah.
All right, they're not on dope just because they got
For
no
shits
hope.
and giggles, yeah.
All right, they trying to forget some shit.
Yeah.
Niggas done seen some shit.
Yeah.
Think about us when we go on the trade and shit. Niggas, we're gonna think about like, yo, remember on Fridays we used to record at Red Bull.
Yeah.
Remember we had a TV show. Remember all that?
Remember?
We lost it all.
Yeah.
Damn.
Man, we got coked up with David Spain.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Remember we were at Triz with Charlie Sheen. We caught the hot bag, but we had money, so we got new blood.
Yeah.
Ah,
That
man.
was a good time, bro.
Got the sloppy toppy after the Cubs win.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Remember at the VMAs we fucked the turtle?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Nah, it was a tortoise. Nigga.
You always think you know the difference.
I know tortoise pussy.
You're a good dude, though. You're a good dude.
Yeah.
Let's go to the zoo. I got a hard cock.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
Damn.
That's nasty.
Imagine being so rich that you start smashing animals and shit. Damn.
What do you mean imagine? The fuck you mean, nigga?
Imagine all
I'm gonna have a fresh
voices.
direct just bringing animals to my house.
No.
Just scared rabbits and shit. Be like, yo,
Yo.
put the rhinoceros over there. And close the door on your way out.
Yo.
What if that's what y'all find out about me? Like I'm traveling to other countries and I'm pretending I'm hunting animals. I'm just fucking the shit out of
Fucking
other
endangered
animals. and shit.
species. Niggas going to the wild poaching hunt.
They're like, did you kill these animals? Yeah.
Yeah.
With my dick.
His dick, nigga. Give him that long shit. Yo, you got the fucking guy with you. He's like, my friend, we have been following this rhinoceros for 1 week. He is in his most vulnerable state right now. He's going to sleep right now.
Perfect.
Should I have the rhino shotgun right here?
No,
Are
you know what I'm
ready?
hit him with?
What are you going to hit him with?
Your dick.
God damn. Okay.
Thank you, Ofu.
Yo, Ofu,
You can go back to the camp. or
Ofu's just watching
or
you
can
smash the
watch.
rhino like, my God.
Look at his big black
Look
Asiatic
at,
dick.
oh my God, look at that long stroke. My goodness. Oh shit, he's throwing the spear like Shaka.
Listen, man. Listen, cry my beloved country. Ah, I'm gonna get that Serafina pussy. Like, take that, you fucking zebra. Ah, you lied to me about fucking Fruitopia gum.
A pack of that gum was probably like $30 on eBay.
That gum was terrible. That
was
shit was
disgusting.
like mad flavors and shit.
This shit tastes like ass.
That's why I'm fucking the zebra, making the other zebras watch. Like, what is he doing? That's ahead of the zebra.
Oh my God.
He's right about the Zootopia gum. Oh man. Woo!
Oh, God.
Was it Zootopia gum? Yeah, it was, right?
I think, yeah, Fruitopia.
Oh, Fruitopia.
No,
Zootopia is a
Fruitopia was a
movie.
drink.
Zootopia was a movie about like racism in the animal world
That's right.
that I tried to watch because they put American Airlines put me in the wild rickety plane coming from Antigua instead of having a screen in front of me. Like the whole plane had to share 4 screens.
That's lame.
I was like, what is? And they weren't like I'm not even lying. I think they were SD screens, which didn't give me any hope because now I know like they're using rudders and shit in the cockpit.
Sorry.
Me hope and land.
Yo, I mean,
Just trying my best.
landing gear. I mean, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
You know, you can't have a good day every day.
Yeah.
As long as you don't leave my island with conch shells.
Yo,
Everybody, we're landing in
y'all
Antigua.
so fucking worried about the conch shells. Fix the landing gear.
Everyone, we're landing in Antigua. Please put your feet out the window and slow the plane down. Shout out to Antigua. They had their Antigua and Barbuda had their Independence Day this week. Shout out to your little island. I like to shout out all the little places. Shout out to Didcot. Shout out to Mississauga.
True.
Shout out to all my family all over England that somehow is using VPNs to watch Viceland.
Oh shit.
I have family members in England using VPNs to watch Viceland. My parents don't want to pay extra $7 to watch it. That's
see?
it. It's all about.
They over there risking their freedom.
But just remember, what you risk is what I will remember when I get on.
That's true.
Not saying.
That's right.
Just saying. Eventually, you're gonna make that phone. You're gonna text Jesus. It's gonna be like, boop, boop,
Listen.
boop. The
Low-
number you have called is too popping. Your
Low-
number has been blocked.
Low risk, high reward.
Listen,
I'm saying, get in early.
get in early. Get in that zebra pussy early.
I'm still bugging. Like, I'm still trying to figure out if it was Zootopia. It's not Zootopia. It's Fruitopia.
It's Fruitopia.
Oh, it's Fruitopia.
It's
All
Fruitopia.
right, good.
You can buy the gum now. It's mad expensive
Damn.
because they don't make it anymore. Well, no, you can. Oh, you can buy it regular. They sell it at Walmart or some shit. Oh, see, I thought I had a story for you, but I didn't.
Damn.
See, that's why facts are whack.
Facts are whack.
Because imagine how great if I'd been like the Mirror, yo, it costs $30 a pack for Fruitopia, and then like we're like, yo, someone sent in a pack of Fruitopia.
And it says it's a
Red
wild
Bull.
case, and we just flip it.
Yeah,
on the
But
black
no,
market
like,
on
they're
Silk
like-
Road.
They're like, here, stupid. Fruitopia's here. We don't use that fucking zebra no more.
Idiot.
Stupid.
Stupid. Fucking.
You don't even know. You just making a little podcast without facts and shit. Red Bull Studios.
Stupid ass nigga.
Call it Red Bull Studio. I don't even got Red Bull in there.
Stupid.
Actually, we do have Red Bull.
It's everywhere.
We have refreshing Red Bulls everywhere.
There's like 4 fridges with Red Bulls. Y'all can come here and just get a free Red Bull. Mm-hmm. Can they? They can just come in. Yeah.
Yeah, when you walk in, there's a Red Bull right there.
Yeah.
But walk around. They have the Melrose Place exhibit.
Yeah.
Shit's lit. They have like all the hidden art.
Yeah.
Y'all didn't know. Y'all thought Melrose Place was just some dumb shit that came on after 90210. No, actually, they were very subversive, and they had like, I was about to say cervezas. So you were my mind is that they're very subversive, and they have like hidden art and stuff, and
They
like
did.
stuff for like gay rights and all types of stuff hidden inside.
That's right.
The Melrose Place set.
They were
Mind
speaking to
blowing.
you. They were speaking to you.
Because Red Bull, you know what I'm saying? They curate culture. They know what people want, and that's why they got us here.
That's right.
Because the people want this. The streets want this.
They need it.
They want the art.
They need it inside themselves.
Red Bull gave us wings.
That's right.
It's the art. This is episode 46.
Woo!
It's your boys. Yeah. The boys are back. The boys are back in
The
town.
boys are back in town.
No. Have you heard the news? The boys are back in town. You have to make a
Hey.
version of that.
Hey. The Bronx, what do you say? Bodega Boy's gonna crush today. What the
You know
fuck? That was a terrible version of the Chicago shit. That was,
Oh, that's that cum shit?
Which is a terrible shit to like a lame song to sing.
I heard that for the first time on 1010 Wins, like the day after they won, and I was like, did they just make this shit up? This shit is terrible.
Y'all big singing this? This shit is whack.
Guess who just got back today?
Who?
Them wild boys have been away.
Hey.
Haven't changed, haven't too much to say. But man, I think those grins are great. The Bodega Boys are back in town.
That's right. And then just get into the rock version. Whoa! We're fucking back!
I want
We're
you to
back,
walk into a bar and play Thin Lizzy, The Boys Are Back in Town. But every time they say The Boys Are Back in Town, be like, Bodega Boys are back in town!
Please.
Bodega Boys are back in town!
That's right.
Get
So
wild
please,
annoying with it.
do it.
Do it. Put it on a loop, record yourself, and just keep playing it over and over till they throw you out the bar.
So like, yo, you guys, you gotta get out of here.
You can't play that again.
Gotta get out of here.
The Bodega Boys are back in town! The remix. Yo, it's episode 46. It's your boy.
That's right.
Let me take a deep breath.
Do it.
It's like free throws. 2 minutes left.
Breathe deep.
Game is on the line. I gotta get this right.
Yeah.
That's why crowd's like, don't do it, Jesus. They got the big head of me trying to break my concentration. I can make this happen. Play the fucking Chariots of Fire music underneath this. It's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Jesus Vice, aka Chung Chipotle, aka Pocket State Fat Ontario, aka Chris Stapps for Sing Dick, aka Eli Lippy, Butchers Gutters. Someone
right.
I might know you, but
Wow.
Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Arando, 1994, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss meeting,
Damn.
MC Little Gunga P, putting up for 40. With who?
Your
Shorty. 1994, Mikhail going off the Juve Boss. I think I started
it.
over.
Fuck
Put
it.
up for 40 with your Shorty.
Yeah.
Don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you. Nigga.
I don't know you.
I don't know.
It's just because we both use the same app.
Yeah.
We're in the same car. We're going in the same direction.
That's cool.
But that's it. That's all we have in common.
We're not doing anything else.
I don't want to know about your politics.
Yeah,
I don't
no.
want to know about hip hop.
No.
If I'm a woman on alone, please leave me alone. It's not
Please.
safe enough for me to ride in Uber. Also, I'm a
Respect my
minority.
agency.
Respect
Yes.
my agency. That's all I ask.
That's right.
My original, my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a
Yeah.
fuss. These are Rosty and the Jamaican Jew.
He's got
Jermaine
that.
Avocado Toast. Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa. Simba, don't fuck Nala. She's your cousin.
Konnichiwa.
She's a hot lion, but don't fuck her. That is your cousin Nala. Young Charcuterie without the coonery, aka Cholito Mon, the left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay. Do you remember that time I pitched the perfect game in Game 7 of the Dominican World Series? No, you
Yes,
don't.
papi. Oh my God.
It was on ESPN 8, the
Oh,
Ocho.
the Ocho.
Vice K. Matsuzaka, a.k.a. Mr. La Marina, Miss Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. Leonardo DiTrapio.
What?
A.k.a. your problematic babe.
Wow, bitch. That's right, and we're signing off. It's your boy, the motherfucking Kid Mero, aka the Human Do-Rag Flap, aka Skirt Loader, you know what I'm saying? Curve Gotti, East Street, my Stevie B, wiping my hair back, you know what I'm saying? I'll open your medicine cabinet, I
Open
don't
it.
care, you know what I
Don't
mean? The
care.
ghost of Ben Boston, it's getting spooky in here. I'll open your cranium. Ben Smack Biombo,
Ben Smack.
dad of the year, you know what I'm saying? Fucking Triz Khalifa, you know what I mean? Baby Newport, You know what I'm saying? Rico Sabroso, Curve Gotti, Donovan McNabb, nigga. I know fucking baby. I fucking man. You know what I'm saying?
Let them know.
Let them know. Look up in the sky. Some birds are playing. No.
No.
It's the Plantain Supernova. And we are going to go and do some more weed.
That's right.
Right now.
Right now.
Holla.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Friday.
Not Saturday or Sunday. Not Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But
you know what?
Check us out on Viceland. Monday,
That's right.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Not Tuesday. Why? On Tuesday, we have a live.
Election special.
That's right.
Damn.
Look how brolic the brand is. They're letting us be live on the night America falls apart.
That's right.
Because who better than to welcome you to the Black
right.
Parade than the Bodega Boys?
That's right.
All right?
Harbingers of doom.
We are going to tell you who won. Was it Hillary? Is it Donald? Is it Mr. Brexit?
Is it Mr. Brexit and is it Trumpy?
Right.
Is it Young Trumpy? Or is it Hillary?
Listen.
Hip Hop Hill. Huh? We're
right.
just chilling.
We're gonna
at Red
lead
Bull
you.
Studios.
We're going to sit there in our chairs.
Uh-huh.
When I was a young boy, my father took me to the city to see a marching band. Welcome to the Black Parade. It's the Bodega Boys. We're out.